sharing this video also. Okay. So if you observe, so almost I have almost teaching experience. Next, and after that my BTech, MTech. Next I worked in some engineering colleges as a faculty, and then 5 years IBM job, and then 10 years, more than 10 years with this Durga software. Okay, like with all these things, okay, just for success in our life, I identified only one small rules. Remember that. Of course, it's not my discovery. It's not my invention. Somewhere, some expert person provided a good guideline for me. Okay, if you want to success in your life, if you want to success anywhere, better to follow this small rule. Then your life will become very happy. This is the word that expert person suggested. Then slowly I started implementing. Then I'm seeing the results also. Do you want me to share this rule, this suggestion for you to success in your life in every aspect? Do you really require? Yes. Do you really require? So that I will share, so that you people also will apply this rule everywhere, so you can able to success in your life also, in every area, sir, in every area. Remember about the rule they told ye, just a simple rule, sir, a simple rule to success in our life. Okay, sir, just among almost there are several students are there in this session. how many people how many people want 100 out of 100 everywhere? Yes, sir. I'm always trying for 100 out of 100. Of course, you may succeed or not. So I'm always, my target is always 100 out of 100 I have to get, sir. Okay, anyone there in this session? Yes, I want 100 out of 100. Anyone there in this session? Can you please? Then I'm feeling very happy, sir, if I'm getting, if I'm getting 100 out of 100, if anyone there. So the people who are thinking about 100 out of 100, 100 out of 100 I require, that person, in my perception, is the stupid. Okay, he never going to succeed in his life any time. Remember this one. He never going to succeed in his life any time. Okay, so just to pass exam, government decided, most of state governments decided 35% is enough out of 100. Correct or not? 35% is enough out of 100. Out of 100, just you pass that exam. Yes, you are eligible for to go to the next level. To go to the next level. Similarly, if you are getting 60 percentage with the first grade, okay, 60 percentage is itself with the first grade, sir. Next, 70 or 80 percentage. 70 percentage means you are the distinction candidate. Are you getting right? Distinction, distinct. Yeah, you are specialized. Distinction person. Okay, like. So please make sure you never, the person who is going to concentrate 100 out of 100, that person never comes sure, sir. Okay, please don't try for 100 out of 100. If any person is going to try out of 100 out of 100, then definitely they are going to succeed in their life. Remember this one, sir. So don't try, don't be very optimistic. Okay, like don't be, sir, I should be 100% perfection is required, then only I will do that. Don't do such a type of activities. Are you getting first point? Any doubt, friends, related to the first point? Any doubt? Okay, now, sir, anyway, this is not my required guideline for you people, right? Now I have one small doubt, small question for you people, right? Sir, I have total 10 activities I have to do that. 10 activities I have to do, sir. Total 10 activities I have to do. Maybe in your company, in your job, day-to-day job, 10 small tasks are there, or otherwise in your regular day-to-day home related assignments, okay, 10 activities are there. Anyway, 10 activities are there, you have to do that. Can you please tell how many people are going to do all the 10 activities? They are going to keep on the paper, or otherwise they are going to keep in their mind. First activity completed, second activity completed, third activity, next fourth activity. Like if sir, how many people are going to follow some sequence? Once that 10 activities are completed, then I'm the so happiest person. Anyone there? Can you please tell? So I will start from the first activity once it is completed, second activity once it is completed, third activity once it is completed, fourth one, fifth one, like this. So on a sequence I'm going to do, yes, 10 act like that. Anyone is going to feel like that? Can you please confirm? Please, I won't mind anything. Anyone there? Yes, friends. Anyone there with this type of thing? No. No. Yes, Naukant. What about anyone there related to this type of thing? Okay, good. Now, one small thing. The people who want to do this type of activities, the people who want to do this type of sequential order, first activity, after the second activity, after the third activity, after the fourth activity, if any person is going to do like this, that person never going to succeed in their life. Remember this one. So sequential activities don't do sir. Okay, well, excellent. You should not do that. Okay, sequential is not recommended. Okay, well. Now I have one small doubt. I mean, next question. Sir, among these 10 activities, first I will choose easy, small activities first. Small activities first. And then big activities next. Anyone there? Anyone there? Small activities first, and then next big activities I'm going to do that. Anyone, can you please tell? Sir, I'm always following this type of approach. Small activities first I will do, and then big activities next. Because small activities, if we are going to do, yes, we will get some energy. Okay, with that energy, later I can able to complete big activities, no problem at all. Like anyone, can you please tell? Yes, Sushil is one person, Kushbu is another. Any other? Can you please confirm? Because based on your response only, yes, now Kanti is also. The people, yeah, good, Vishal, excellent. Any other person? Any other? Small activities first and then big activities next. Okay, believe me, sir, believe me, the people who are having this type of mindset, they never going to succeed in their life. Remember this one. Are getting? They never going to succeed in your life. Okay, especially Sushil, Kushbu, Naukant, Vishal, take a bit special care. Your approach, you are in the wrong track. Okay, well, excellent, sir. Sir, now, how many people are very much interested on big activities first, sir? I will do big activities and then small activities. Okay, anyone there? Sir, first big activities I will do. Once big activities are going to be completed, then small activities anyway very easily we can able to do that. Anyone there with this type of mindset? Please confirm, so that I will explain. Don't worry. Yes, any person is there with this type of mindset? Big activities first and then small activities next. Okay, excellent. If any person follow this type of style, I'm sure, sir, they never going to succeed in their life. Are you getting? They never going to succeed in their life. Remember that. Okay. So now observe that there are some people are there. Forget about big activity, small activity. Forget about that. People are there. Are there. They are always going to do easy activities first. Easy activities first, and then difficult activities. Difficult activities. Yes. Anyone? Can you please tell this type of thing? So small activity is the different, easy activity is the different. Observe that. Approve terminology is the different. Anyone? Easy activities first, and then difficult activities next. Anyone there with this type of mindset in our session? Please confirm. Respond. If anything is going to be matched, please let me know. Because whether you are going to succeed or not, I can able to tell. Easy activities and then difficult activities next. Okay, I'm sure. Yes. Okay. Well, let me tell that option also. First, I will do difficult activities first. Difficult activities first, and then easy activities next. And then easy activities next. Okay. Can you please tell anyone follow? How many people follow first one? How many people follow second one? At least now everyone in this session should be one of these two. Can you please confirm? Yes. Good. One or two. That's all I want to listen from you. Don't tell not applicable. One or two. Yes. Shivaram, first in, first out order. Good. Any other? Good. Okay. Yes. So take a bit very special care. The people who are always going to prefer easy activities first and then difficult activities next. The people, these category of the people never going to succeed in their life. Okay, Sushil, Naukant, Kushbu. So most of the people are always following this type of thing. Okay, easy activities first and then difficult activities next. No, these people never going to succeed in their life. Excellent. What about this one? What about this? Difficult activities first and then easy activities next. Can you please confirm? Yeah. Can you please confirm? Is these people are going to succeed in their life or not? Yes, friends. Is these people are going to succeed in their life or not? No, never going to succeed. They are getting, sir. You are telling everything they never going to succeed, never going to succeed. Then where is the success, sir? Like you may ask the question. Take very special care. Okay, the people who want a big success formula, listen very carefully these points, sir. So our habitization, our body language, our mentalities are, can you please do? Are easy activity only, can you please do? This type of terminology, this type of mindset for most of the people are having. Attitude, this type of attitude most of the people are having. The people who are having this type of attitude, even our parents also, are small work only, right? Chinna pane kada, small work only, right? Can you please do that? Easy thing only, right? Can you please do that? The people who are always going to prefer small activity, easy activity, or difficult activity, they never going to succeed in their life. Remember that, sir. Okay? There is one important thing is there. Total how many activities are there? Please confirm. Total how many activities are there? Yes, 10 activities are there, sir. Activity number 1. Assume that activity number 1. Okay, total 10 activities are there. Activity number 1. Okay, sir, here 10 activities are there. Just 1 minute, so that you will get much clearly. Sir, 5, next 6, next 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Total 10 activities are there, sir. So the people who are always going to follow first in, first out, last in, first out, random order, these people never going to succeed. The people who are going to choose easy activities first and then difficult, or difficult first and then easy next, or small activities first and then big activities next, or big first, they never going to succeed. Remember this. So first highest results, like compulsory, so you can able to filter, sir. So all activities not having the same result. Okay, some activities having very less results, some activities having big results, like which activity will provide highest result. First, we have to identify whether it is a small activity or big activity, or it is the first one or last one, or whether it is easy activity or difficult activity. Forget about that. Which activity will provide highest result? The success people always going to target that activity first. Remember that. Suppose activity 5, which is going to provide biggest results, sir. This is the highest priority work. Compulsory. This is going to provide highest, biggest results, right? Like that. Okay. First, we have to choose this activity. We require to complete this activity, sir. So it never talks about first in, first out, random order. It never talks about easy another difficult or difficult other than easy. Irrespective of all these factors, array which activity will provide biggest results for me, that activity you require to choose. You require to choose and start complete that. Next activity. So once you completed this one, then once you completed this, then how many remaining activities are there? Can you please confirm how many remaining activities are there? 9. In the remaining 9, which is going to provide next biggest results? Next biggest results. Sir, this activity will provide next biggest results. Are you getting these results right? Yeah. Okay. The people. So if you are going to complete these 2 activities, if you are going to complete these 2 activities, 80% of results already came, sir. Results already came. Pareto principle, like there is one principle is there, sir. In the business, in software, everywhere we are going to use 80% of results are 80% of results. 80% of results will come only from 20% of activities. 20% of activities. Remember this one, sir. Okay, Pareto principle. It's a 80 by 20, 80 by 20, or 20 by 80 rules, sir. It's a fundamental rule in the business management. You know, only from 20% of activities. Okay, if you are going to do these 2 activities, 80% of results already came, sir. 80% is already came. Then the remaining 20% is going to come from the remaining 8 activities, right? Remember that after completing these 2 activities, how many remaining activities are there? Can you please confirm how many remaining activities are there? 8 activities. 8 activities will provide how much results? Do you know? Just 20% of results, 2% or 65%. But there are some smart people out there. They never want to study, sir. But once the results are going to come, 80%, 90% of the vary the difference. Vary the difference. The person who is going to study, keep on. First is going to open the first page. Okay, page number 1. Who is the author? Who is the first line? What is the index? What is the use of all these nonsense? So he is keep on studying like from first page, first line to last page, last line. What is the use of that? Provide, which are going to provide biggest results. You have to identify that. Okay, only those activities you require to do. In my perspective, the person who is going to do 10 out of 10, that person is a stupid person. He never going to succeed in his life. Are you getting right? So at least this year, prioritize your activities. I want to learn Python. I want to learn Java. I want to learn Django. I want to learn REST API. For me, which one is going to provide biggest results? First, identify that. Instead of attending morning one session, afternoon one session, evening one session, which is going to provide biggest results? We have to identify that. In your office, you may require to do multiple activities, right? Which activities so are going to convince if I complete these activities, then my project manager is very happy. Identify those activities and complete that. Or which activities is going to provide biggest results to your company? Identify those activities and better to do first those things. Whether these are small or big or easy or difficult, don't worry about that. Getting right? Are you able to understand? It's a beautiful concept, sir. Compulsory you people should have clarity about this terminology. Okay, then definitely you are going to succeed. Kushbu, sometimes which activity is going to provide how much result, then you are not eligible to do that activity first. If you are doing something Compulsory what result is there, we have to analyze. We should have some expectations about the result. Without knowing the result, why you are doing that? I told right. There is in Telugu, we have another saying, good eddu chelo baddatu antaru. What it means? Anyone can you please translate in Hindi or English? Guddi eddu chelo baddatu. What it means is a blind eddu means a blind what we call ox. A blind ox. Do you know in the what we call farm? Okay, from one place it is going to start keep on eating. Hare, where good grass is available, where the grass is not good, it don't know. Then automatically, Kushbu, if you don't know the result, then you are like a blind ox. Remember that. Compulsory, if we are doing something, we should have some expectations on the what we call results. So the person who is having this skill, definitely, sir, your lifestyle by default is going to be changed. Just 2 minutes every day night. Tomorrow, how many activities are there? Morning, I have to wake up at 7 or 6 or 5, and then I have to go to the gym. Next and after that, I have to go to somewhere. Then, okay. Regarding just you have to identify, first these things are very going to provide big result. First I have to do this. Remaining things, if the time is there, I will do. Otherwise, ignore. No problem at all. If you are having such a type of prioritization, then your life by default lifestyle is going to be changed. Sir, colorful results are going to come. Getting right? I'm eagerly waiting to tell. Sir, I have one question for you. Which is the waste activity in our life? Anyone, can you please tell? Waste activity, sir. This is the waste activity in our life, sir. Anyone there? Anyone, can you please tell? Which is the waste activity in our life? Oh, lowest result work is the waste activity. Yeah, good man, Sushil. You are getting my point. Yeah, happy to listen from you. Next, FB and WhatsApp is the waste. Shivaram, too much, man. Without FB, without WhatsApp, there are several people who can't spend at least 1 minute also. Long sleep is the waste activity. Amol, no chance at all. Sleeping is the biggest asset for the human being. Continuously study is the waste activity. Too much. Regretting. Naveen, what it means? Regretting means? I didn't get you. Yeah? Regret. Wasting. Okay, well. Can you please tell what is the waste activity in our life? Do you know the biggest waste activity in our life is, but very unfortunately, out of 190% of the people are always going to do, not like me, most of the people, sir. Okay, what they are going to do is the activity. He is doing the activity. He is doing the activity in the most beautiful way. In the most beautiful way. No other person is going to do these activities in that like that. He is doing the activity in the most beautiful way, but that activity really not required. Really not required. Observe this one. That activity really not required. Okay, he's doing, most of the people are doing the activities in the most beautiful way, but really that activity is not required to that person. Are you getting right? It's not. Suppose here you are the software engineer. So there you require, suppose assume that activity is not really required. Such type of activities is going to do in the most beautiful way. What is the use of that? Are you getting that? In our company, there are some people are there who are going to manage in the most beautiful way, but that management is not required, man. So being software engineer, coding or otherwise, the activities must be required. Are you able to get? So except our required work, the remaining activities the people are going to do in the beautiful way. Are you getting? Kushbu, now the people are getting my word. Sushil. Very unfortunate. Most of the people are always doing this type of activity, man. Waste activity in our life. Remember that. Okay. So take a bit very special care. 80% of results will come only from 20% of activities. Okay, 80% of results will come only from 20% of activities. Identify those activities and identify those activities and sir, you have to do first that 20% activities, right? If you are going to do such a type of thing, your energy levels are going to be raised like anything, because results are coming, okay, that's what people should aware. Okay, this is one important point. Now this principle is called Pareto principle, right? I'm not sure, I forgot the name long days before. Anyone aware? Pareto principle. Pareto Pareto principle. Pareto principle or Pareto? Yes, Pareto principle. Have you observed, right? The Pareto principle, 80 by 20 rule. Okay, 80 by 20 rule states that mainly roughly 80% of the effects come from 20% of the causes. Are you getting this rule? Everywhere you can apply. Everywhere you can apply. If you want 80 by 20, 80 by 20, this is not my own creation, sir. So this is Pareto principle. Everywhere it is going to be applicable. That's why please make sure at least today onwards in this new year, better to plan like that. So one small case study I will suggest, I will tell for you related to this. So how the people are changing the life, change the life based on these principles. Somewhere in the personality development book, somewhere I saw this one. You know, here the thing is, there is one lady, sir. I'm not sure her name. Anyway, not required also for us. There is one lady. She is doing the job in some company in the US. Assume that in some company in US. Yes, she is doing the job. Almost for the last 12 years onwards, she is doing the same job. Last 12 years onwards, she is doing the same job. Do you know, she is going to approach manager or boss saying, sir, can you please increase my salary? Like, then the manager or otherwise the boss is going to tell, okay, we will look, that's all. So she never going to get increment. Even she is getting increment also. Just do you know, that increment is very less. మన కంటి తుడుపు ఉంటుంది కదా, I mean, if someone is crying, okay, just we are going to so like that, okay, so very less increment. Next, Monday to Saturday, sometimes Sunday afternoon also she has to work, sir. Okay, so Monday to Saturday and sometimes Sunday also she has to work in the company, morning 8 to evening 8. Then this lady felt like anything. Array, morning to evening, there is no gap at all. Morning to evening I'm doing the work. Monday to Saturday, even Sunday off, sometimes off also. Array, I'm not spending the time with my family. Next, even in the company I'm not getting good salary also, good recognition also not there. Array, how many times I have to ask my boss, but they are not considering. Like, this lady starts thinking from my side or is the problem from company side. Like this, she starts thinking, sir. She took 3 days leave. Just observe a bit very carefully. She took 3 days leave. She started analyzing the activities. Array, what activities I'm doing from morning to evening in the company? Like, she prepared the chart of 17 activities, right? The total activities what she is doing in the company, these 1 to 17 activities are related to company work, she is doing these activities, right? Now what this lady did is 1 to 17, which activities will provide biggest results, highest results to the company. Next, to do this activity, 12 years experience. For how many activities? Really 12 years experience is required. She started thinking in that. Then automatically 12 years experience person highest results work, she got only 3 to 4 activities only. Are you getting? All the remaining activities are labor activities. Labor activities. Labor activities means anyone can do that. Anyone can do. For that MTech, BTech, or otherwise MCA is not required. The people who are working in the companies, now you can able to connect up in my words. Labor activities in the companies, the people are going to do. Are you getting right? Okay. 3 to 4 activities only. Really, 12 years of experience is required, which are going to provide biggest results to the company. Biggest results to the company, sir. Then, after completing 3 days leave, she went to the company. Directly, she entered into his or boss room, conference, boss room. Sir, I want to talk for a few minutes with you. No problem, please. Then what that lady told, anyone can you please guess? What that lady told to her boss is, just she kept on the paper these 17 activities. Sir, among these 17 activities, only 3 to 4 activities will provide biggest results to the company. The remaining activities, okay, anyone can able to do. For that, 12 years of experience is not required. If I will do whole day, only these 3 to 4 activities, then the results will be doubled, definitely, sir. Definitely, doubled, definitely. Okay, if the results are going to be double, then this lady told. So definitely the results are going to be double, sir. If I will leave the remaining activities, if I'm going to concentrate only on 3 to 4 activities, definitely the results are going to be double. Okay, please allocate the remaining activities to someone else. I don't want. Next, if I'm going to double the results in the next 2 months or 3 months, can you please double my salary? This is the demand that lady kept to the boss. Then immediately boss asked her, give some time. Like this was happened morning at 10 or 11. Then at 3 o'clock was called. Okay, accepted. Today onwards, the remaining activities, almost around 12 to 13 activities, you are not required to do. These activities I'm going to allocate to some other people. You are responsible only 3 to 4 activities only. If the results are going to be double, definitely I will double your salary. Like this is the statement that the person used, sir. Boss told, committed. Then after 2 to 3 months, the results are not doubled, the results are tripled, sir. Remember that the salary also got tripled. So if you are going to concentrate, if you are going to spend your time only the activities which are going to provide biggest results, best case study. Are you getting? 12 years, she worked like a labor, technical labor, no improvement. Once this lady applied this rule, then automatically lifestyle got changed. Are you able to understand my words? Okay. Now start thinking which type of labor activities you are doing in your day-to-day life. Are you getting? Remove those labor activities one by one. So then the remaining which are really required for us, our time we require to spend only on those activities. Remember that if you are going to follow like that, then definitely success is going to come. Do you know? So one just whenever just I got married, one day while I'm just started from the house to the office, then my wife asked her, while coming, can you please bring what we call fruits or vegetables, something like my wife told. Then immediately I saw from top to bottom. Here, MTech, computer science, okay, to bring fruits or vegetables. Am I the person? If you are going to tell once again, I will give left and right. I will send to your native place. This is the word what I use with my wife. Are you getting the point, right? Okay, because bringing vegetables, bringing fruits, any person can able to do, man. Anyone can able to do. For that, MTech is not required. For that, oh, computer science MTech degree is not required, right? Observe that division compulsory we require to have. What kind of activities better to live? So in my regular offline sessions, I will ask lady students especially. Anyone, any lady students, Kushbu, any other in this session? Any other lady students are there in this? I mean girls? Yes, one, two. Any other? Okay, just usually in my offline sessions also, yeah, Kalyani, usually my offline sessions also, usually I will ask the question, how many people are going to do sweeping the room? Especially ask this question in the class, then immediately some people are going to raise their hand. How many people are going to sweep the room? How many people are going to do cooking? How many people will do you know, washing the clothes and so on? Like I will ask the lady students, or even gents also, some people are going to raise, because hostels, washing the clothes, all those things must be compulsory, right? Then there are some people who are going to raise their hand. First thing I'm going to tell, if I will ask this question again, if you are going to raise your hands, then definitely I will cut your hands. Cut your hands. This is the statement what usually I use in my regular offline sessions. The reason for that is, array, you are BTech, MTech, MCA completed, well graduates. Your time should spend on more useful activities, not on washing the clothes, not on sweeping the room. Array, just 1,000 or 2,000, 3,000 rupees, if you can ask someone, those people can able to do that activity. For that MTech is required, for that BTech is required, for that MCA is required? No, not required. Then why you are wasting your valuable time in that activities? Getting the point, right? Kushbu ma'am, Nagamani, Kalyani, don't do arrange some maid, okay, some assistant, arrange some assistant. She is going to do all those activities. For that, our time should not be wasted. Remember that, okay? A simple, sir. In you are working in a company. Anyone working in the company? Can you please tell your company name? At least one person. At least one person. Anyone there? Now come the HCL. So HCL. Who is the CEO of HCL, sir? Who is the CEO of HCL? Yes. Vijay correct, Vijay. Yes, my doubt is Vijay can do your work also now, Kant. Are you getting? Vijay can do your work also. Coding is not a big deal. Whatever your work is going to do, Vijay is also going to do, right? But why he is going to recruit you? Why he recruited you? Because he don't want to waste his time in this labor work. To do this, some labor must be required. That labor should be completed, should have some Python knowledge or Java knowledge, and next and after that should do some activity. So what the software company owners are doing here, they are buying your time for their labor activities. If they are doing that, why don't you buy some other person's time to do some waste activities instead of doing on you? Now I hope you can able to understand my terminology. Kushbu, now Kant, getting the point, right? Okay, so everyone in the world buying some other person's time, okay, to do their low level activities. Okay, yes, company, I'm doing the job in the company, means the company person buying my time morning 9 to evening 6, he bought my time, okay, to do his activities. The same way, why don't you? Are you getting? The same way, why don't you identify someone to do that activities? So labor kind of activities we should not do, man. We should not do. That's why especially girls or ladies, don't cook, don't wash, don't sweep the rooms. Okay, for these MTech, BTech, MCAs are not required. Okay, unnecessary. You are wasting that degree. So that unnecessary, you are wasting that degree. So if you are MTech graduate, you should your each and every minute should be in the proper utilizable form. Then obviously success by default will be there. Now, slowly you people are able to understand what this principle, Pareto principle, how to apply to our life. So, best example, another small example I'm going to tell. Do you know Facebook CEO? Who is the person? Anyone can you please tell? Facebook CEO. Yes, Mark Zuckerberg. Wow, good. Everyone should aware. Without because we are technical people, Facebook CEO, everyone should aware, sir. Now I have one small doubt. Have you ever saw Mark Zuckerberg? I mean, need not be really man. At least in the newspaper or in the videos or otherwise in the news somewhere. Have you ever saw? Can you please tell, sir? I never saw this person. I don't know anyone there in this session. Everyone in this session can aware. Correct, right? Mark Zuckerberg. Do you know? You have whenever I'm using Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg, in your mind already is image already printed. Correct, right? If I show an image, anyone can able to recognize this person in the Mark Zuckerberg. Please tell how many people can recognize? Yes, this person I can recognize Mark Zuckerberg. Anyone? Yes, can you please? Yes, everyone. Now my question is, in most of in your mind, his image is already there. Most of the people for in your mind already his image is there. His image with what dress it is there? Can you please let me know? Anyone with what dress? I mean, have you? So most of the times he's right. He's usually with the what dress? Can you? Yes, collarless t-shirt. Correct, right? Collarless t-shirt. That coffee color or blue color like a t-shirt. Colorless t-shirt. Most of the times, even in official meetings also, he's always going to use. 1 minute. I will show his image, right? Facebook CEO. Okay, his images. If you observe, yes, have you observed, right? Profile itself is yes, coffee color, dark color necklace t-shirt. Are you seeing, right? Now observe, out of 100, 90% of the videos, 90% of images with yes, have you observed very rare, okay? Here just most of the times, he's with the t-shirt only. Correct, right? In the official meetings also, he's always with this t-shirt only, right? Then in the somewhere in the Delhi IIT, he visited last year or before last year. One lady journalist, she asked this person one big question. I remembered well. What the question is? Being CEO of software company, are you getting? Being big CEO of big software company, big company, you're always with just a t-shirt. You're always with the t-shirt and jeans. What is the specialty for that? Why you are not following dress code? This is the statement that lady asked, sir. One lady journalist, she asked the question. Anyone can you please guess what is the answer that person told? Anyone having the idea about this? Ayo, no response. Sushil, too much. What the reason? Then the reason what he told is compulsory you have to inject this point in his mind, sir. Because a successful person in the life, that person telling each and every point definitely is one guideline for us, is one thumb rule for us. What is the answer that person told? That person told is, very simple answer. Sir, dressing is a everyday activity. Are you getting everyday activity? If I want to get ready, just the morning, if I want to get ready like this, is nothing but with the suit, the tie, everything. Minimum 15 to 20 minutes. Minimum 15 to 20 minutes to get ready. Next, to remove this dress again in the evening, okay, to be with the normal dress, Again, I require to spend minimum 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, in my 24 hours time, in my 24 hours per day in that, so just 1 hour around, just I have to spend only for my dress change. Remember this one? Sir, it is not one day activity. It is the 365 days activity. 365 days activity, right? Then in my life, sir, 365 hours per year is going to be wasted only in my dress change. This is if it is the necklace t-shirt. If it is the t-shirt, matter of 2 or 3 seconds, 2 or 3 seconds, I can able to get ready. 2 or 3 seconds, I can able to get ready. This is the statement used by Mark Zuckerberg. Was in the life, success people are thinking about even dressing time also. They are thinking because of that only they are at this stage. Are you getting the point? Hello, yes, friends. Are you in the position to understand? Okay, so means that as per Zuckerberg statement, we never going to waste our valuable time. God's provided gifted time in waste kind of activities. If you are going to do in waste kind of activities, you never going to succeed in your life. The person who is succeeded, the person who failed, what is the difference is, so for failed person, for success person, same 24 hours per day only, same 24 hours per day only. The person how is utilizing this time, based on that, his success by default will be there. There are some people they are using morning to evening, day and night on activities which are never going to provide results, or which are going to provide very lesser results. Very lesser results. Okay, these people are always full busy but no paisa. Are getting full busy, no paisa. Okay, no nothing. money won't be there. Okay, like but so even that's what how these. So very recently, do you know? For the kid, Zuckerberg told one time in the interview, Zuckerberg told for the kids, diapers will be there. Do you know, right? Diapers will be there, right? For the kids anyway, mothers and parents, you are in a position to understand my word. Yes, diapers, kid diapers are there. Zuckerberg in one interview, he told just in 10 seconds, I can change my kid diaper. This is the statement that person used. So always they're always thinking about how much time I'm spending on this activity. How much time I'm spending on this activity is really useful activity or not? Regarding is really useful activity or not? Like so, better, highly recommended, good programming practice. If you want to success, happiness in this 2019, what you people should aware is waste kind of useless activities. Better to remove from your calendar. Your total time will be only on useful activities. Okay, if you are going to do like that, then happiest life by default will be there. Definitely you are going to success. Any doubt? Getting right? Pareto principle, how to apply to our day-to-day life. Already the people are applying. Zuckerberg, like not only Zuckerberg, sir, already people are applying. So for you, whatever waste activities are there, these waste activities better to delegate to someone. Suppose you are the bachelor, you want to wash your clothes every Sunday. Don't do that. Better to arrange one person, just at 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, they are going to do that. Are you getting? Because you are well educated that 1 hour time you require to spend somewhere else, which is going to provide 2,000 rupees. Remember that. Okay, pure business words if you are going to talk. Okay, just if you are talking pure business words, 1 hour time, just we have to pay 1 hour time, we have to pay 1,000 rupees if we arrange one assistant. But the same 1 hour we may earn 2,000 rupees. Then 1000 we can give hand over to our assistant. 1000 we can enjoy. So more satisfaction also will be there. Unnecessary labor kind of activities, don't do that. Okay, your life is a very small life we have, very small life we have. Then obviously in that small life, if you are going to waste our time, already wasting our time in sleeping and eating, man. Okay, if it's going to compulsory activities, eating, sleeping, these kind of things. Anyway, we can't avoid. Except these remaining things, at least we have to aware, man. Okay, moreover, whether you observed or not, I don't know whether you cross checked at least this time or not. Can you please tell what is your age? Can you please type what is your age? Current age? Yes, all the people, can you? I won't share to any person, don't worry. Yes. Here, all just only 3 or 4 responses only I'm getting. So a bit shy to tell your age also. Okay, now observe. Average current age is almost 30 years, around 30 years, sir. Everything goes fine in this current generation. How many days we will be there on the earth is if everything goes fine, then almost 60 years. Okay, assume more than 60 years. Okay, well, if too much expectation, 60 years, okay, well, more than 60 years are not recommended, remember that. Then 30 years to 30 years already completed, assume 60 years. Then how many years you will be there on the earth? Only 30 years. 30 years means, do you know how many days? 30, don't get shocked, don't get heart attack. 30 into 365 days. Okay, 10,950 days only you will be there on the earth. Okay, 10,950 days. Is it a big number or small number? Are getting, is it a big or small number? Very small number, very small number. In this 10,950 days only, how many activities you have to do, man? Are getting, you have to study, you have to get the job, you have to get the job, you have to do several things. In that, if you are going to waste your valuable time in waste activities, then who is going to provide safety for you? Who is going to save you? No one is going to save you. That's why please make sure. Okay, we have, sir, this time never going to be stopped, sir. This count never going to be stopped. Tomorrow if I can ask the same question, you can't tell 10,950, 10,949 only. Remember that. Day after tomorrow if I can ask the same question, 10,948 only. Okay, this count definitely every day definitely is going to be decremented. No one is going to stop this count. Remember that. So if everything goes fine, then automatically this is the story. Then, so now I hope you people can able to recognize, okay, what is the importance for that time. Okay, how the success, great success people are following what guidelines. They each and every statement is a good guideline for us. Please make sure you people should succeed in your life also. Okay, better to apply this Pareto principle. Getting the point? Any doubts? It's a golden rule, sir. Better to apply today onwards. Just 2 minutes, sir. Write all your activities, which are waste activities, how to delegate to some technical labor, delegate to remaining only activities which are going to provide biggest results, key activities, you have to do that. Then success by default will be there. Naveen, Pareto principle 100% right. Everywhere it is going to applicable. Even I am the correct person, man. Forget about all the remaining. I am always applying this principle. So tomorrow, if I want to start after completing our Python REST API, next subject I have to start. Then immediately, do you know what 3 to 4 days I will analyze? One is OCJP, second one is Advanced Java, third one is Python with Selenium, fourth one is data science. Among all these things, which is going to provide biggest results to me, that subject only I will choose. Randomly, I won't choose any subject, because I have to enjoy the results of that subject. Getting Naveen? I'm the best person, okay, to consider whether this principle is correct or not. Okay, everywhere in our life you require to apply this principle. Then which is going to provide biggest result? My concentration is always that sir, what we call what we call that important place. That's what okay, that important where more results we are going to get. That is a very important. That activity only I'm always going to do. Happiest success by default will be there for us, man. Waste activities we should not do that, especially Kalyani, Ushbu, and then one more Nagamani. Don't perform cooking today onwards. But don't tell this one to your family members. They may give left and right. Okay, arrange someone to do that activity. For that, our BTech, MTech, MCAs are not required. Okay, anyone can do that. Anyone can do that activity. If you are doing, what is the specialty of human? So if anything some other person can do that activity, we should not do that. Business rule. If you want to succeed in your life, if this activity can be done by someone else, share. Okay. Remember, take a bit very special care about your life also. I told right, very less 10,950 days only in our life. మనం ఏం పీకినా సరే, మనం వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇన్ అవర్ లైఫ్ ఇంకా ఏం సాధించాలన్నా, I mean whatever you want to achieve in your life, that is the only days available with us. Okay, so better to plan accordingly, then your life by default will be very happy.
Students just requested, yes, regarding office politics, how we can get on, how to handle this type of office politics. Like, sir, please make sure everywhere politics are there. So the politics here, sir, available only in real politics? No, in office n number of politics, in classroom n number of politics. So politics will be there everywhere. Remember a bit very carefully about this terminology, right? Okay, because the reason is most of the people are going to feel that the politics are available here only. Okay, so if it is some different project, if it is the different project, then politics won't be there. Like, sir, please make sure everywhere, everywhere politics are there. Everywhere politics are very carefully, right? Okay, so we should not run very far from the politics. Being intelligent guy, what you require to do is we have to handle those politics. Okay, this person, if the problem is coming, we should not move far from the problem. We have to handle and we have to move forward. That's what you require to do that. So in my office, full politics are there. I had number of n number of questions, n number of times I had this answer from my students. Hare, why you left the job? Sir, in my office n number of politics, sir, I'm not in a position to bear those politics. Then I so if they are telling like that, I'm not going to blame the company, I'm not going to blame their office people. So definitely I'm going to blame this person only, because this person is not in a position to handle such type of things. Okay, like, so how you can handle this, it is a very important, sir. Sir, best example, whatever issues I have, whatever things I have, just I experienced in my corporate life, I want to share. If it is going to be helpful, better to utilize, sir. And some good programming practices also I will suggest with my experience. Okay, like, so the first thing what happened is, in my company environment, okay, assume that my role is sir, something like WebLogic admin, something like WebLogic admin. Assume that's my role. Now what happened is, my I have 4 to 5 members are there. Assume that. So my lead is also there. I am not going to spell out my lead name. Just observe that my lead is also there, sir. So just my lead desk is beside my desk only. Okay. So in the companies, most of the times corporate, Okay, so corporate companies, cabin cubes are there. Okay, in this, this is my lead desk, and this is my desk, and my colleagues are there here. Assume that. So means my lead is just beside me only. The total almost 70 to 80 applications are running in my platform, because WebLogic admin, right, server admin, right, 70 to 80 applications are running. If any application fails, immediately immediately, so they are going to approach admin people, server admin only. Now if any person is going to ask, my admin if any person is application expert is coming and will ask the lead, so hi, so and so application is not running, is there any problem from your server side, can you please look into that? I drop a mail like, this person they are going to approach the lead and they are going to tell. Then my lead never going to check what is the problem, what is the problem, why this problem is coming, and so on. What my lead is always going to do is, Durga, can you please look into that? Because my desk is just beside his desk only. Durga, can you please look into that? Can you please look into that? Then, so immediately I will open where is the problem, why this problem is coming. Like, I will fix that problem. Next, my lead is going to tell very intelligently, Durga, don't reply to that mail to the application expert. Work, please let me know. Okay, after completing the work, please let me know. Okay, like, then immediately what I will do, or otherwise just can you please ping me, like, so then I will analyze and I will fix the problem. Did to my lead saying, lead, the problem solved. Okay, like, so immediately lead is going to reply back to that mail saying, we successfully resolved that problem. Okay, we successfully resolved that problem. So the reason for that problem is so and so. Okay, so just we updated, we uploaded one document in the team room. Okay, can you please go through this RCA, root cause analysis document? Please go through so that you can prevent this person is going to tell to complete the team. Okay, complete the team, this one is going to tell. So here one small thing, even my lead, he didn't open, what is the problem? He didn't open the mail to see what is the problem. Okay, so who resolved that problem, who analyzed that problem, who prepared the document, everything is myself. Assume that. But response, okay, now lead solved this problem and he provided complete documentation. So how to prevent this type of problem also. Okay, now everyone is going, congratulations lead, you did a great work, congratulations lead, you did a great work. Then I have to see his face, because in the reply CC my mail ID also there. Okay, congratulations lead, you did, you are the great asset for this company, for this account, like, so the client appreciation or appreciation from the manager everywhere is coming. Have you observed? Can I consider this one is a politics? Yes, friends, are you facing, anyone face this type of politics? Getting right? Yeah, this type of politics, someone requested, sir, can you please tell about office politics? Okay, like, now, good. So out of 100, 99% of the times, 99% of the times in the company, this one is going to be happen. This is the same thing. Now, it's going to be happen. Now from this, what the thing I learned from this, what the things happened is, then definitely by seeing this scenario, what is my feeling, my personal feeling about the lead, my personal feelings about my lead? Anyone, can you please guess? Ah, yes, friends, my personal feelings about my lead, anyone, can you please guess? Definitely, is it too good feeling or is it too worst feeling or too bad feeling will be there? Worst feeling definitely will be there, will be there, sir. So the same, okay, either directly or indirectly, every employee having, every person having the same feeling about their boss. About their boss, it is the common in the company. It is the common in the company, sir. So in the company, 90% of the people are like this only. Remember it very carefully, sir. Too bad, or too worst feeling I have. What happened is what happened is now observe this. So if any work is coming, my lead answer is, Durga, can you please look into that? Durga, can you please look into that? Okay, that's all. So two good thing is, my lead having full confidence on me, so I can solve any problem. Like, of course, I have full confidence on the Google. If the Google is there, we can solve any type of problem. That is the secondary. Here, see, now what happened is, in my personal discussions with my friends, sir, after lunch we will go out to walk for 5 to 10 minutes, or otherwise we will go to the cafeteria for tea or coffee, something like. So we will go with my colleagues. Usually I will go with my colleagues, sir. In any discussion, if there is a chance to talk about my lead, my statements are, okay, very important, sir. My personal feelings I'm going to express with my colleagues, with my colleagues. Array, my lead is a very worst person, okay. He won't to do anything, he won't to do anything, sir. He's always just doing time pass in the company, okay. Like, so do you know, whenever he's coming 10 or 10:30, he will come to the office. He's always going to do open greatandhra.com. In Telugu, greatandhra.com, politics issues, movie issues will be there. Next, enadu.net, okay, just newspapers is going to open, okay. Like, he's not doing, array, the worst person in our company, waste, useless person in my company is this person only. Like, usually this is my feeling. I'm always expressing the same feeling with my colleagues everywhere, right? Okay, well, definitely my words are going to reach my lead or not? Anyone, can you please confirm? Is my words are going to reach my lead or not? Definitely, friends, either good words or bad words, some way, cycle, definitely it's going to reach my lead, okay. So what happened is, every 6 months once, so in my company, so there are some awards are there, something like, some awards, bravo awards, like we can use in my company. Some awards, appreciation awards are there, sir. Every time I'm checking, so because I'm one of the key resource in my team, definitely this time from my team, I will get this award, something like, I thought that every time. So my account manager is coming, account manager is reading the names. This time bravo awards, congratulate these people, like, so name one, my name is not there. Name two, my name is not there. Name three, my name is not there. Name 10, my name is not there. Names completed. Names completed. Okay, like, so I never got any appreciation or any award, okay, in the company. Next, every year ending appraisal meetings are there. Okay, my people's manager is going to come. People's manager, Durga, how you are doing? Yes, I'm doing good. I'm working too good, no doubt at all. Like, Durga, you are not up to the mark. You are just what we call solid contributor. Solid contributor means whatever work is there, you are going to do that. You are not taking some extracurricular activities, like, so you will get a 2% or 3% hike, something like. Then what about my feeling? Have you observed, right? What about my feeling? Okay, array, complete, most of the times I'm doing everything, but no appreciation, no hike in my salary, like, so I hope in the corporate life, majority of the people are facing this type of problem, correct, friends? Have you ever experienced this type of thing? Can you please confirm? Yes, definitely. This type of thing by default will be there in majority. 99% corporate is like this only, right? No, so every person, every employee is feeling that I'm not getting good recognition for my worth. Okay, I'm not getting expected salary about about I'm not getting expected salary, yeah, regarding my work. My friends are too good, even they are not doing every time they are getting appreciation, every time their salary is hike, but why only this type of situation for me? Wow. n number of times n number of times n number of times you are having this type of feeling. Then 2 to 3 years completed, same project, same lead, same project, same lead. Day by day my friends salary is rising like anything, my salary is not up to the mark. Then I felt like anything. Then what I did is 3 days I took the leave. Okay, best example, 3 days I took the leave, and I went to somewhere alone, alone. Okay, to the park or somewhere. I analyzed all the scenarios. Array, so my position is not good, my salary is not good, 2% hike, 3% hike, but morning to evening I require to do the complete project. Every issue, if any issue is coming, I only responsible for that. Then why this type of worst situation for me? Where is the problem? Like I analyze it, sir. Remember a bit very carefully about this one. Then after 2 or 3 days analysis, then I came to know that okay, the mistake is yes, whose mistake it is? Can you please confirm? The mistake is because of the problem is because of respond. Why you are silent? The problem is uh, because of my lead or myself. My lead or myself. Yeah, remember that. The problem, the mistake is purely okay mine. The mistake is mine. It's my mistake. It's my mistake. I identified that it is the mistake of mine. The reason for that, the reason for that, who is the responsible? Who is so in the back to provide appreciation? My lead input only matters a lot. Next, who is the responsible? Who is the responsible? Okay, to provide good hike. Okay, my lead feedback is going to play the role. But every time I'm blaming. Every time I'm blaming my lead. Okay. If I'm getting the chance anywhere, I'm using. So worst words about my lead maybe that maybe the reason why my position is such a type of worst like I thought. Next, even my communication with my lead also not up to the mark. If my lead is coming a bit, is coming in front of me, just I will change my path. Okay, I never communicated with the full smile. Okay, like lead, please tell. I will do that. That's all. Beyond that, nothing. No general speaking also with my lead. Then I identified the mistake. What happened is after 3 days I came to the office. Just in the office my lead just is coming in front of me. So hi lead, how are you? Okay, hi XYZ person, how are you? How is your weekend? Okay, like suddenly my lead got shocked like anything. Because I'm asking how was your weekend, like he got shocked like anything. Yeah, I did good, I enjoyed, like this person told. Then after sitting on my desk, the first question asked, so today I'm not having any work. Any work, please let me know. Please let me know. Like so, please let me know. Like then my lead, if I'm giving the work, then he's taking that work forcefully. But now he only asking in reverse, what happened to Durga? What happened to Durga? Like anyway, whether he's giving or not giving, at the end I have to do that. So I will ask with a smile, if you have any work, please let me know because I'm not having any work. Then my lead is getting shocked like anything. Okay, like then what happened is, if any issue is coming, if any issue is coming, so directly I will ask application expert. Okay, you can approach me, you can approach, okay, my lead, and then you can approach me, I will solve. So just I updated my lead saying after completing my work I will respond to you only, like so whatever he is expecting, just I'm providing without asking. The same thing only happened earlier, but only thing is a small attitude change. Then do you know office completed my office, even after completing office hours also, yes, usually, hi lead, how are you, something like, so just I'm vacant, do you have any work, please let me know, something like, main rapport with my lead, so just I built. Next time, do you know, there is no change in my work, the only change in my attitude. What happened is, next time, bravo awards, so first name is, Durga only. Now observe that first name itself is Durga only, Durga only. Okay, next, 2% or 3% hike, at the year end, but first time I got a 25% hike. Okay, 25% hike. So then I realized, what mistake I did for the last few years. Okay, remember a bit very carefully, sir. So the bigger mistake most of the people are doing. Okay, so who is, your superior? So because based on your superior, your life will be there, whether you have to get BP, sugar, all these things are already decided by your superior, right? Never blame your superior. Highly recommended. Remember this one. If you are getting the chance, if you are getting the chance, to blame your superior, to blame your superior, okay, that superior maybe lead or project manager or account manager, any person, sir, never util that opportunity, never util that opportunity. Okay, remember a bit very carefully these things, right? So if you are getting the chance, if you are getting the chance to appreciate or to praise, you can use the word, any word you can use, you can understand, praise your superior, okay, your boss, praise your boss. Don't miss that opportunity, don't miss that opportunity. Do you know, in my in my with my colleagues discussion also, with my colleagues discussion also, so are what about your lead? Then I told, are my lead is a god for our account. If my lead is not there, single inch also project can't move. The most key person is my lead only. Whenever you are changing this type of terminology, happiest life by default will be there in the company. Remember that, because you have to change according to opposite person. Opposite person won't change according to you. One saying is there, sir. So if you change based on the opposite person, based on opposite person, everyone will be there. Okay, if if the opposite person is required to change based on your requirement, then automatically you will become alone. Remember, are you getting my point? Ray, respond. So here we are not begging our lead. Don't worry. We are not, so just we are not falling on his legs, and we are not begging. Just proper, neat communication. Because he's our superior, we should respect in that. Because based on that person only, our corporate life by default will be there. That's why never blame your superior if you want if you want to enjoy within the company. Remember, identify such a type of key person, maintain good rapport related to that persons. Okay, better to help what they are expecting from you. Okay, you have to provide with a smile. Then happiest life by default will be there within the company. Have you observed, right? It doesn't mean you are not required to kill your attitude. You are not required to beg. Okay, remember that. If really you are really beyond the limit the things are going, you are not required to be in that company, change the company. But up to a certain level, you can adjust with this type of small techniques. Are you getting my point, right? Yes, friends? Okay. Next, moreover, there is one more key important point in the company if you want to enjoy. So the things are, any project, any project, okay, maintenance project or development project, okay, please make sure before all these things, you should be key person, sir. You should be key person. Key person. You should have complete picture of your account project on your fingertips. Okay, complete picture, complete complete picture of your project should be on your fingertips. Okay, remember that this is the very important, sir. Okay, so until getting that complete picture, better to spend weekends also. If the morning 10 o'clock is your office time, better to go to 8 o'clock only. If you require to come from the office evening at 7, better to spend until 10 o'clock in the office itself. Just if you are going to spend 2 to 3 months like that, you will become superhero in that project. Remember this one, key person in that project. Getting right? Okay, key person. Once you are the key person, no one is going to touch. You can dance like anything. You can dance like anything. So politics, I mean politics, these kind of things are going to harm if you are not key person. If you are the key person, and if you are going to change your small attitude, then happiest life by default will be there. There is no shortcut for this. You have to spend more and more time. You have to work more and more time, then automatically you will become key person in the project. That key person, do you know? So once you are the key person, then n number of problems automatically prevent. Clear, right? Once you become key person, we do politics you are not required to do. To do the politics you should be the key person, no. Okay, to enjoy your corporate life you should be, okay, like next, there are some people are asking very rare this type of situation. So they want to involve in gossiping. If you don't involve, then start targeting that people. So no, this is the very rare. You have to handle very smartly. Okay, clear, right? Shetal, that's what his key point will be there. You have to identify that key point. This is a very important terminology. Then what happened here? Earlier, do you know, if I require, sir, 1 or 2 days leave, 1 day leave, 1 day leave, I have to ask, lead, I required 1 day, 1 day leave, I required like, then immediately lead is going to tell, sorry, not possible because a number of issues are there like. But once my attitude got changed, sir, lead to tomorrow I may not come like, what he is telling, don't apply for the leave. I will manage. Don't apply for the leave. I will manage. Okay, like, okay, like, so such type of things also. I told, right? But up to certain level, you can. But if it is beyond the limit, then automatically your originality must be required. Okay, don't be move a bit far from that area. Up to certain level, with the small changes, you can do that. Getting right? Chandan, are you getting my point? Up to certain level, we can. If it is beyond the limit, really it is definitely certain day that people are going to see the consequences. You are not required to worry at all. See and ignore. Huh? The burn is always the fire is always going to damage. Don't worry at all. Okay, so the first thing, sir, you should be the key resource. You should be the key resource. The second thing, sir, never blame your boss. Never blame your boss. Okay, like, this is the very important thing, sir. Next, one more thing, sir. Okay, if there is a problem is coming, if there is a problem is coming, everyone identify some bakara, so some innocent person to show the problem, to throw the issue on you. Remember a bit carefully. Okay, one time, just I'm telling a small thing. one application is down, one application is down, so frequently, one application is down frequently, and utilization, usability of that application is very low, not up to the mark. Then the client gave left and right. What happened is, so related to this application expert drop a mail, drop a mail, drop a mail to me saying, Durga, can you please look into this issue? My application is not working. Then what happened is, I checked, then I did some correction. I did everything, goes fine. Now I called application expert, can you please come? Then I showed, yes, now the application is working properly or not. Yes, working properly. Then left. Next, again, this application is down, but application expert, he didn't address me. So for the last 2 days, why this application is down, what you are doing? Okay, like, then application expert told, already I sent a mail to server team, support team. Okay, like, hurry, you send a mail, I called you, I showed, the problem also resolved. Okay, you only accepted. Now, how you are blaming? We are not doing that. Have you replied back? Have you replied back to that mail? Have you replied back to that mail? No, no, you didn't. Then we are assuming that still the problem is there. That's why you are working on that. We didn't, yeah, we ignored because you are already working on that. Like, have you observed? Are you getting my point right? Okay, one time I, so total my lead gave left and right to me, my client gave left and right to me, but the problem is not from my side. Okay, the only thing I missed is I didn't reply to that mail. I resolved the issue, I didn't reply to that mail. Next time onwards, what, if any application, if any application expert, okay, sends a mail saying, okay, saying, there is a problem, then what I did here, reply to that mail. Reply first to that mail. So every environment is very clear, environment is very good, so no problem from our side. Okay, first reply to that mail, and then start working on the problem. Okay, start working on the problem. Then immediately, if really the problem is there, then okay, later we can. So don't keep the ball on your head. Okay. Getting the thing, don't keep the ball on your head. Yeah, as early as possible you have to throw that ball to the next person. Okay, with the minimum, if you feel that the problem is not from our side, if you feel, automatically you will symptom that. Okay, if you feel that the problem, this problem is not from our side, it's same, immediately throw that ball to the next person. Otherwise, everyone is trying to throw the ball on yourself, you will be the bakra, okay, at certain point. Getting right? Because every person required one bakra, you should not be that bakra. That's what my target. Okay, so next, so this type of things by default will be there, sir. Okay, please make sure. But anyway, while working in the company, n number of issues, n number of politics will be there. These things are very common. Okay, with your smartness, okay, you have to handle the things properly, then only, okay, you will be forever in the companies. Okay, you should not change your ethical values. Remember that. You should not change your ethical values. Okay, you have to change small corrections in your attitude without losing your ethical values. Remember that. Okay, small corrections. Who is the key person? Okay, what is expecting technically, professionally, be ready. Okay, so that definitely, so you can enjoy. So don't so run very far from the problems, run far from the problems, handle problem, and move. Next, one more thing, so for all these things, very important, highest priority, you should be the key person. Okay, this is the very important thing, sir. Okay, like, next, one more point I want to tell, sir. Sir, one person joined as an employee. Okay, within very short time, within very short span, he became CEO of that company. became CEO of that company. Remember a bit carefully. He became CEO of that company. Okay. So just within short span, this person became CEO of that company. Okay. Now, one person interviewed that. I'm not sure is a name and a company name, but it's happened really, friend. Okay, because a number of things are there. So one person interviewed this person. Array, how you achieved this one within the short span? Okay, so in the interview, this employee told one very important point. Definitely, it is going to be helpful for you people, right? Okay, what the point is, listen very carefully, sir. So this is, if you want to succeed in your corporate career, if you want to become key resource, if you want to enjoy your life, this is a very very important point. What the point is, yes, suppose here, do you know, there is one work assigned to you, okay, in the form of SR, in the form of SR service request SR1512, you are responsible to do that. Okay, deadline for that until Friday it is there. Okay, so the people who are working in the company, please take a bit very special care. You can understand my words. Okay, there is a work is assigned. Assume that SR1512 is assigned on you. You require to fix some code changes and you have to submit by Friday. Okay, so Monday you open this activity. Okay, you identify just in 30 minutes only, 30 minutes only, you completed the thing. What you are going to do, you completed the thing. What you are going to do, please confirm. You may have this type of experience while working in the company a number of times. Yes, friends, a number of times you may have this type of thing. So like what you are going to do, like, can you please confirm? Until Friday, until Friday, so you are responsible to do this work. You have the time until Friday, but Monday within 30 minutes only you can complete. You can complete, not completed, you can complete the thing, complete that thing. You can do that. Okay, what you are going to do that? What we are going to do is, out of 100, 99% of the people common attitude is, we have the time until Friday. Why we have to resolve this issue? Like just on this SR we are going to spend until Friday. So from Friday after lunch we will submit this work, so that this work got completed in that without any issue. Are going to accept? Majority of the people will do like this, or 99% of the people will do, sir. Okay, this is the thing which is usually happening. That's why every employee won't become CEO. Okay, the answer from this employee who became the CEO, the answer is, it is a really appreciable point, sir. The answer is, so if it is going to complete within 30 minutes on Monday, sir, by Monday, okay, so just 30 minutes, just in that 30 minutes only, just I will send the mail to my superior, work got completed. Do you have do you have any extra work, please? Every time my answer is, do you have any extra work, please? Any extra work, please? The person who is asking this type of question to the superior, definitely that person, so is career growth ladders by default available for this person in the corporate. But very unfortunate, 99% of the people are not doing this one. Really, man. So this line is underlined. Why this person became CEO in the short span? Then that person told only one thing. Array, if the work is really required for 2 days, but I can complete within 1 day, then I will ask for the new work for the second day. Then automatically, so for my caliber, current project, okay, is very small, very small. Then immediately my manager always, so my level keep on changing. At certain point I became CEO of this company. Getting right? Next, after CEO of this company also, do you have any work? Do you have any work? Like he may require to become CEO of multiple companies. Getting right? Yeah, he may become. So better to use your this type of attitude. Then that person is always going to succeed. Is always going to enjoy. Is always going to. Don't feel enjoy means time pass. Okay, in the time pass you may enjoy temporary. Okay, not permanent enjoy. That's it. Clear? I hope definitely these points, of course, my personal perspective, don't feel don't feel that these points compulsory everyone should follow. Okay, some students are asking, sir, can you please tell some how to handle office politics? Just whatever I know, I'm sharing with you people, right? So if you have any experience, okay, if you have any experience related to that, if you have your own suggestions, better to keep in the comments so that it's very helpful for the remaining people also. Because that thing, better to share at least one of your experience. You are not required to keep your original names. I never used my company name. I never used my lead name. Have you observed? You are not required to use your company name and so on. This is the issue I faced. This is the way intelligently I solved this problem. Like, it is helpful that knowledge for the remaining people also. Okay, like, yes. Okay, but leads don't want this to finish it before time. In this case, I experienced that they assign work to people who are taking more time to complete. No such type of terminology, Vidya. Okay, better next time, better to do. Just ask, do you have any work? Do you have any extra work? If it is not there, better to do. If you have not there, better to do your own work after completing that. Why you have to waste your valuable time? Develop an automation, develop an automation which is required for your team. Develop an automation activity or develop some small application which you keep on add on benefit to your client. Getting right? The he's not giving any new work. Then why you are wasting your valuable time? Can you please think? You have clear domain knowledge is there. Array, instead of this, if we can do like this, it will save the client money, it will save the client time. Then obviously better to do parallelly. At certain point it will be recognized. Getting right? That fire, that ambition must be compulsory, will be there with you. Your lead is telling, no, 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 you should not complain, or no, we have only this work, or you are not taking the decision correctly. Better to think about that. The person who is going to initiate, the person who is going to initiate, who is going to take the responsibility, that person is always going to enjoy. Remember that. For any type of thing, initiation must be required. We should not be solid contribute work they are giving, we are doing that. That's all. That is nonsense. The worst kind of people are going to do that. We should take responsibility, we should take initiation. Okay, we should become the key person in that project, automatically in that account. My experience, the person who became CEO, that person told this answer. Okay, that's all. Thanks. So later with some other topic we will meet. We observe just sir, we are having some reports which are manually generating 6 hourly, and it was taking a manpower for this. I changed that with automatically. The clients got impressed, and now if any coming clients are specially asking my manager to keep me in the meeting. Yeah, good thing. That's what better opportunity. That's what ladder you are getting just with your initiation. Yes, Shetal is telling always have to talk good things about lead. Yeah, good. Highly recommended. Highly recommended. N number of benefits you people are going to get. Not only about lead man, not only about lead. For any person, at least 2 or 3 persons, can you please appreciate our price per day? Okay. Stop your blaming, stop your commenting, stop your pointing. Okay, like automatically your life also by default will be changed. Okay, not only corporate life, your personal life also. At least 2 to 3 members, just whenever before going to sleep at the night, array today. So for how many members I appreciated, at least start up small. So what for small achievements also. Okay, like, yes, if you are traveling by auto, okay, just at the end, array, what's your name, what's your name? So I use multiple autos, but you drive it very carefully, man. Good, good, I felt very happy with your service, like, just use this type of thanking message. Then your life is going to be changed. Suppose your wife prepared some curry, see, okay, how many times you told, today curry is good. Even if it is really good, then expressing your happiness with others. Every day in your life, sir, you have to do at least one of these things, right? Okay, meeting a new person, can you please meeting a new person, or visiting a new place, or visiting a new place, or doing some new activity, like you have to do that. So the people who can always think about this one, okay, definitely they are going to enjoy the success. But very common weakness, common drawback for the human being is, they are habitized. That is the biggest problems. Are the people who are come out that habitization, those people are going to succeed like anything. Remember a bit very carefully, sir. So the things are changing, the days are changing, the technology is changing. So if you are not going to change, then the society is throw away, throw you away from here. That's why compulsory we require to change. Okay, change must be required. So for that, so what we require to do is new activity we require to do for compulsory, friends. Okay, remember that common weaknesses are, sir, do you know? So whether really you are weak or not, you are really your weakness is the habitization or not. If you want, let me check. So what toothpaste you are using? Array, respond. What toothpaste you are using? Anyone, can you please tell? Ah, yes, what Colgate Max, Vico, like, do you know? Dabur Red, okay, like, array, n number of brands are available in the market, yet your childhood, somewhere you habitized with the close up. Okay, then automatically, lifetime your life is going to be completed with this close up only. You're getting, yeah, with this close up only. If you want, you can cross check, sir, for how many years onwards you are using same brand of toothpaste. That is the bigger weakness. A small thing, right? How many people change your toothpaste? How many people test some 4 or 5 or 6 or 10 brands? Okay, unless and until if you are not testing new thing, how you can confirm that your user thing is the best thing? Getting the point? Yes, friends. Are you in the position to understand my point, right? Yes, no. Okay. Yes, you require to change at least one day, at least one day. You required to change. Okay, like, so habitization. Okay, I mean, the maybe spelling mistake is there. Don't worry about my thing. You have to habit, uh, habitation. Okay, like, anyway, so habitization, or anyway, my intention you have to understand, friends. Don't worry about spellings. So toothpaste close up, so I, while studying my college, okay, so close up is good, seems to be red color, taste is also good. That's why my my lifetime I'm going to use close up only. Okay, like, so such type of terminology remove from your body. It is highly recommended, sir. Sir, somewhere from my childhood, okay, red color is my favorite color. Okay, if I go to the shop, always looking, our eyes always looking for red color. Where is the red, where is the red at my childhood? Okay, so someone told, hey, your red shirt is good. Then obviously if I go to the shop, my concentration is always where red color is there, where have you observed, right? Okay, have you observed the words? Okay, like, so you are, this is array. If you try with the other, still you are not feeling comfortable, then better to choose this one. Okay, that's what. Try for new must be compulsory required in your habits. Try for new must be compulsory required in your things. That's about my intention of telling this point, friends. Okay, new must be required. Next and after that, do you know? So if you want, you can observe. So if you are attending, if you in your circle also, do you know, you are always looking about the comfort zone. Comfort zone, you are always looking about comfort zone. You are going to keep one boundary. Within that boundary only you want to live. Okay, like, so you never going to, yes, you never going to think about, okay, what we call, array, that new activity, that risk we have to take, such type of thing. Sorry, man, that thing is not there in our blood. Because of that we are missing a number of things. Okay, so compulsory, friends. At least, today I met this person who succeeded in his life like anything. I spent some 10 minutes time with that person. Okay, like, you have to have such type of new things in your life. Then obviously, yeah, your life is going to be very smooth. A small example I will tell for you people, right now. Observe, because all these are my experiences only. I learned one small thing. I worked in KLCE. Okay, yes, as a lecturer. Okay, assistant professor, something like, they are going to give. Anyway, as engineering college lecturer, I worked in some engineering college as a lecturer, sir. KLC, do you know? KLC means, the people who are from Andhra, at Vijayawada, it is this engineering college is there. After completing my BTech, I worked, sir. After completing my BTech, I worked there as a lecturer as 1 year. In that 1 year, do you know, sir, I got recognition like anything, sir. Okay, so every student is giving the respect like anything. Okay, so how much value is, array, in the college, if they are taking feedback will be there in that. So highest feedback in my department goes to Durga only. Okay, highest feedback in that department goes to Durga only, right, sir? Next, do you know, the students are always giving respect like anything. If I'm going for lunch, okay, cafeteria will be there. Just, if I'm going there, while going, the remaining branch people, the remaining departments, faculties, array, that person is the Durga, that person is the Durga, like, they are showing me, they are highlighting me. Okay, that person, like, because my principal is very impressed on me in every departmental meeting. Yes, there is a small kid is there in IT department, Durga, named with Durga, the topmost person. He can give left and right for any subject. This type of terminology my principal used, right? Okay, like, now in that college, most valuable person. So do you know? Just I completed BTech. My all my in that branch, BTech final year students wrote a big letter to principal saying, we required gate classes from Durga, sir. Okay, like, there's a big letter they gave. We don't want that senior faculty. We required Durga for the gate. Like, such type of recognition is there, sir. Do you know? College is going to start at 9 o'clock, but usually I will go to the college at 7 a.m. only. I will spend 2 hours in the library, and then 9 o'clock I will go to the class. Okay, like, next evening at 4 o'clock, college is going to be completed, right? 4 p.m. college is going to be completed, but I never come at 4 o'clock. 4 to 7 I will study in the library, and then at 7 o'clock I will come to my house. Have you observed, right? Next, Saturday, Sundays, no faculty will go to the college, but myself, I will go to the college and happily sitting in the department studying. Okay, like, my principal observed several times. Okay, like, next, in the result, in the one semester result, the highest pass percentage, highest number of marks for my students only. Really, friends, I enjoyed like anything every moment. Do you know, academic mid exams are there? Academic mid exams are there, right? Have you observed it? First mid, second mid, like, by first mid only. This is the two worst. By first mid only I will complete my total syllabus. In the first mid only I will complete my total syllabus. First mid semester, in the first mid only I will complete my total syllabus. So first mid they are writing complete syllabus exam. Second mid, revision. Third, original exam is nothing, man. Nothing is there, okay, to discuss. full revision happened, highest so pass percentage or otherwise highest marks in my subject usually happen. Such type of best so recognition I got there, sir. What happened is, one fine day, I want to leave. I want to leave that place because I got MTech admission somewhere. I want to leave that place. Then literally the day at the time of leaving, so do you know my eyes with what is that, tears or something, like I don't know the great words, okay, like tears, okay, my eyes, because such type of beautiful place I'm leaving, like really I felt, man, because special recognition is there in that college. Okay, for me special recognition was there in that college, right? Then after leaving, I came to Hyderabad. I came to Hyderabad. Then some activities, like, then after 3 to 4 months, then I felt that, unnecessary. I wasted 1 year there. Okay, like there is no growth in my career. Unnecessary. I wasted my 1 year in that engineering college as a faculty. Yeah, same person, same person. Okay, so the growth, the scope is not there. Okay, if another 10 years were there, maybe from assistant professor to associate professor or otherwise, okay, maybe head of the department, or maybe so principal of that college. But anyway, that growth is not up to the mark within the college boundary only. Okay, now while leaving, I felt that such a type of best place I'm missing. But after 3 months, I realized that, array, unnecessary. I wasted my life. Okay, 1 year in that engineering college. Getting the point? When I will come to know that? When I will come to know that? Yes, friends, respond. When I will come to know? Because if I did some new activity, then I came to know that that thing is a waste. Getting that thing is the waste. Okay, like next, one more thing, sir. Suppose at the beginning days of Durga Soft, we are not having big rooms. I have a class. I have a classroom. Almost, 150 students capacity classroom was there at my beginning days. 150 students capacity classroom. Almost 2 to 3 years, that class is reserved for Durga only. Okay, that classroom is reserved for me only. Okay, then 2 to 3 years I was handle all the sessions daily, 5 to 6 batch room only. Then so the strength, okay, maybe is that room is not accommodate the number of huge number of students. Then I want to left that room. Okay, just we are vacating that office, that room. Then while leaving that, then I felt like anything. Okay, so maybe I'm the very sentimental fellow, it seems. I thought that really, man. So these many days I took, almost 5 to 6 years I handled the sessions there. Okay, like so I have n number of attachments with that, with that room. Maybe my parents are coming, they are sitting next, my uncle is there with me. So we had n number of beautiful experience, beautiful moments regarding that venue. Okay, like whenever I left, really, so again my eyes with tears. Array, I'm leaving this one, like, I'm leaving this one, like, now. So when once I go to the new place, almost around 500 capacity or 600 capacity room, I moved that 600 capacity room. I moved that there. Array, these many years, unnecessary. I wasted my efforts by sitting there, keeping in the same venue. Like I got that feeling. Remember that. That's why. So in your life, have you observed when when I felt while leaving this venue, I felt the, array, how beautiful this room I'm living. So maybe my situation, how I don't know how the things will be. I really, I felt like anything. But once I moved to this room, then I came to know that, array, this work I have to do at least 2 years or 3 years before only. Unnecessary, I wasted my life by taking the sessions in that small venue, like I felt. Wow, same person, same person. Only difference is time is the difference. Have you observed, right? Time itself is the difference, right? Okay, we had. I hope you people may have such type of n number of experiences in your life. Yes, no, friends, respond. Yeah, n number of experiences in your life. Yes, obviously. That's why highly recommended, try for the new things. So once you try with 4, 5, 6, 7 new activities, then you will come to know which is the best. Okay, remember, identify best and then do that tomorrow. If a new thing is coming, tomorrow if a new thing is coming, then compulsory you have to test, compulsory you require to test, because it may be good, it may be good. Okay, like we don't know until and unless if you are not trying for the new thing, you don't know really whether you are in the correct track or not. That's what I'm telling for you people, right? Okay, so the biggest weakness for the human being is habitization. Okay, so earlier my phone is Samsung. Okay, earlier my phone is Samsung, like. So next, if I go to the my mobile damaged, or otherwise I lost my mobile, then immediately I will go to the shop. Can you please show Samsung mobile? Have you observed? Can you please show Samsung mobile? Samsung mobile. Okay, like okay, like why don't you choose for other? Because you are feeling that I'm already habituated with this, I won't face any problem, I won't face any problem. Okay, such a type of mindset by default will be there for most of the people. Remember that. Remember that. Okay, like next, and after that, someone suppose your father or your father, so are why you are buying, why you are buying? Okay, I want to go for the car. Okay, I want to go for the car. Are BMW car I want to go for. Then immediately I will ask, only why you have to choose only BMW? Because a number of things are there in the market, like then immediately this person is telling, my friend already took this one, so he's feeling very comfortable, that's why I'm taking this BMW. Wow. Have you observed, right? Have you heard this type of statement in the society? I hope multiple times. Hare, why you are choosing this one? My friend already did, my father has this one, my mother has this, or my sister doing the same, that's why I'm doing this one. Hare, why you are studying doctor? Why you are studying doctor? My father is doctor. My father is doctor, that's why I'm studying doctor. Hare, have you observed the difference, right? Yes, my father is the hero, that's why myself is the hero. Okay, my father is the politician, that's why myself is the politician. Okay, do something new, do something new. Don't be in the comfort zone. If you are doing something new in your life, then definitely you people are going to succeed. Okay, so test everything. Okay, do you know if any new thing is coming? So suppose, do you know if any new thing is coming, immediately I'm always looking for the new thing only, sir. New thing only I'm always looking. So because there is a chance whether you are doing correct thing or not, there is a chance to test, there is a chance to check. That's what my intention of telling for you people. Right? Are you in the position to understand? So, in your life, every day, before going to the bed, please check, am I meet a new person? So, am I visiting a new place or doing a new activity? Am I did anything? Please cross check. Okay. So, if you start thinking about a new things, then whether you are in the correct track or not, you are going to test also. Whether you are doing correct thing or not, you are going to test also. Sometimes what will happen? I'm approaching some of my friends, some of my okay, well wishers. Okay, some of my well wishers. I'm always, Hare, I'm doing these things currently. Okay, this is the thing. I'm spending this much time here. I'm investing these areas. So can you please tell? Is there any better things are there with us? Is there any better opportunities there? Or am I doing correct or not? I will check with a number of people. Okay, remember. But anyway, but any way, but any way, please take a bit special care. There are some things we can't change. Okay, mother, you can't change. Father, you can't change. It's already blessed. Have you observed? It's already blessed. Mother, father, you can't change. You can't change your brother. You can't change your girlfriend. Okay. Have you observed, right? Okay. You can't change your wife. You can't change your wife. Okay. Like you can't change. Okay. So at least the changeable things better to change. Okay. Not change. I mean, if you really feels that is more comfort than existing, then you require to change. Okay, but there are some constants are there in our life, we can't change it. Don't think always change, like today first wife, tomorrow second wife, day after tomorrow third wife, then fourth day you won't be. Okay, that is so change means there are some okay, like have you observed in your career? So do you know there are some people who are telling, usually while working in IBM, I got the mail, today Tommy Sikkanen completed 25 years in IBM. Okay, everyone is going to tell, congratulations Tommy Sikkanen, congratulations Tommy Sikkanen, like to congratulate this person please. Okay, now I'm seeing a very pity look on this person. 25 years, his life, almost half of the life, he dedicated only for IBM. Have you observed? He dedicated only for IBM 25 years. Really, I felt like pity life. Okay. So next, there are some people. Oh, today retirement. He worked as a teacher. He worked as a teacher for 50 years, 60 years. At the age of 60 years, retirement function is there. Retirement function is there, like yeah, by seeing such type of people, I'm feeling very very, do you know, something like something like I'm feeling very what we call pity on these people, right? Okay, 60 years worked as a teacher, worked as a so and so employee, and then he left. So his total life dedicated only for that particular activity. You don't know anything, sir. You don't know anything about outside. That's why don't be employee forever. Remember carefully, sir. There are some people in the society who is going to tell, hey, as a director of so and so, he retired. So what? So what? Your life is completed in that company only. One fine day, you are coming out from the company. Are what there with you? Nothing. Abjan, getting my point right? Okay, the people, there are some people, old people anyway, so we should respect them. We should respect them. But anyway, my internal personal feeling, hey, I worked 60 years, man. I worked almost 40 years service in BSNL. 40 years of service. 40 years of service in BSNL. Yeah, completed. Can you please do the remaining 10 or 20 years also, so that there only you will die? Why you came out? Eh, getting? Okay. So please take a bit special care. Next, even in the company, same company also, don't be, don't be forever friends. Okay, sir, I completed 10 years. I completed 10 years in the current company. 10 years in the current company. Okay, then my personal feeling is, this person can't get an outside, that's why this person is staying there only. Getting? This person can't get an HR people are going to see in the software, if a person who completed 5 years 6 years, HR people are going to see from top to bottom, why this person is not leaving. If he's going out, then he can't get on, that's why this person is staying here only. Yeah, remember that. Okay, doing the work for the last 10 years, doing the work for the last 10 years, 10 years in the same company, nothing. Someone is telling, I completed 10 years in different business units in IBM. I worked, I completed my 10 years in different business units in IBM. Great to legion, because you are trying to convince yourself. Okay. Yeah, happy to legion, but You are convincing yourself. Okay. Getting my point? I hope so. I'm not spell out the name. Yeah. Okay, you are trying to convince yourself. Beyond that, nothing there. So work another 20 years so that your life will be gone. And then, so at the age of 60 years, happily come out from IBM. And then you will cross check what I did for the last, okay, in my life for the last 30. Can you please cross check how much recognition, what you did to the society? Can you please cross check all these things? Then whether you are going to answer, whether you are going to be convinced with your answers or not, please cross check. Okay. Yeah. It doesn't mean you have to leave the IBM. That's not my intention. Okay, remember that. But whether you are in the correct track or not, please cross check. That's what. That's what. Always next level. Okay, always think about next level to go to the next level. So every day next level. Can you please what TV you used at your childhood? I mean, in your house, and what TV your father bring at that time? No. Yes. Ah, do you know, right? At our childhood, Onida. Next and after that, BPL. Have you remembered? BPL. Okay, like we had Onida, BPL. Like now, if I go to the TV showroom, boss, I want one BPL TV. I want one Onida TV. Then the shop wala is going to see from top to bottom. Correct, right? Can you please confirm? Definitely he's going to see from top to bottom. Okay, I want BPL, I want Onida. Okay, he's going to see from top to bottom. Sir, these days Sony, LG, and like there are some more companies are there. These are very popular, sir. Onida, BPL, olden days TVs, right? Sir, currently these things are not available. Sorry. Array, Onida, BPL, the brands in the market, once upon a time, why they are not currently? The reason for that is they are not changing as per market requirement. Have you observed the word? They are not changing as per the market requirement. They are not in a position, okay, to change themselves. What happened here? Throw away from the market. Getting my point? Yes, same thing. The mobile phone birth started with Nokia. The mobile phone birth, date of birth, the mobile phone birth started with Nokia. Any person, sir, if you go for 2002, 2003, 2004, hurry, mobile, I took mobile. Then they are going to ask which mobile you took. They never going to ask about company. The company is always Nokia only. At the beginning days, how many people use Nokia phone? At least one. Yeah. How many people use a Nokia phone at least once? Yes, beginning days. That the beginning days, I'm sure. That the beginning days, sir. Not currently today. Okay, not currently today, like yes. Okay, now Nokia. Once upon a time, Nokia, sir. But very unfortunate that Nokia company currently not there. It is acquired by Microsoft. They're not in a position, they're not in a position to run that company, acquired by some other company, some other company. Have you observed, right? Okay, some other company. The reason for that, they're not in a position to change based on requirement. People who are not looking new next level, their position is always like this only. Okay, even Microsoft people also. Okay, luckily Nokia under Microsoft, now there is some publicity, some importance. But anyway, even Microsoft people also, they are feeling that why we bought this Nokia. Some time back I saw one article. Okay, but anyway, currently I don't know about market trending what there. So everyone these days, you can ask, everyone is always thinking about Apple or something like Nokia now. Anyway, relatively maybe in the market, I don't know. Okay, but the situation is not that much. Getting the point? Are you in the position to understand my words? Okay, always think about new. So meet new persons. A number of new ideas will come in the picture. Okay, spend some time with the new persons. They are going to share their experiences. They are going to share. Okay, they are going to share their experiences. Okay, they are going to tell. So whether you are in the correct track or not. Okay, you will. So always think about new, then your life by default will be successful like anything. Getting? But anyway, some things we can't change, some things we can't change, like I told, right? Which things we can't change? Mother, father, girlfriend, wife. But in this, don't think about a new. In this, don't think about a new. It is very dangerous. Okay, so these things are always fixed. Good programming practice. Getting right? So next, if you want to be long term in the software, sir, it's a very common doubt for most of the people. Sir, which technology the best to settle my life in the software industry? What is the answer? Have you observed? This is a very common doubt, sir. Some people in this session also, sir, which technology is best? Which technology is the best to settle my life? To settle my life in IT. What is the answer you are going to tell? In IT, in IT. Okay, I want to settle my life. Okay, like now take a bit very special care about this terminology, right? Okay, so which technology the best to settle my life in IT? No such type of technology. The day to day the technologies are keep on day to day the technologies are keep on changing. That's why the person who is going to adapt new technology, who can work on new technologies, that person can be get on in the life very very easily, sir. Okay, he will be more time in the IT industry. Are you in the position to understand? Please take a bit special care about this terminology, right? Okay, the most valuable, very very important things, so new, something new. While learning, always looking about a new thing. Okay, so while doing the things, always thinking about a new. That new is always going to makes a big difference in your life. Suppose, yeah, for the last 10 years onwards, I'm taking meals inside some hotel. Okay, last 10 years onwards. Okay, just I'm eating in the same hotel. Assume that, sir. Suppose today I saw some new hotel beside that. Today I saw some new hotel beside that. So out of 1 crore people, are 99% of the people, if they require to go for meals, compulsory, our hand is always, sir, our legs always moving towards this hotel only. That's why. Correct, right? Yes, friends. Array, for the last 10 years onwards, you are eating in the same hotel. Suddenly, today, you saw a new hotel just beside that. Are you going to the new hotel, or are you going to the old hotel? Which one? General human tendency. General human tendency. Anyone, can you please confirm? Okay. Always out of 100, 99.99% of the people always going for the same hotel only. Because why we have to take the risk? Why we have to take the risk? Better to go to the same hotel only. Because for the last 10 years onwards, we are doing the same, right? Yeah. Have you observed? Have you observed? The people are the biggest weakness already habitized to eat in that hotel. Why I have to choose different? If you are going to give the chance to me, my intention, I will choose a new hotel only. Because the reason for that is, new is good. Don't feel like that. New is good. Don't feel like that. I can cross check. There is an opportunity for me. Am I choosing correct thing or not? Okay, I will choose here one time. If reality the good, wow, thank God. Now onwards, I got better opportunity, better chance. Like so, unless and until, if you are not going for the new hotel, whether you are eating, whether you are choosing your choice is the best or not, how you can decide? Okay, sir, I went there one time. Too worst. Wow. Now I will feel very happy. very happy. Array, for the last 10 years onwards, I'm with a good thing only. There is a chance to justify whether you are doing the correct thing or not. Simple example to understand in the layman terminology. Friends, are you getting the point? Okay, that's why if you are getting the chance to learn something new, don't miss that opportunity. Okay, don't miss that opportunity. Something new, don't miss. Okay, at least one day, at least 1 hour, better to learn the new technologies, new things. Array, today cloud is too good, then spend 1 hour on the cloud, AWS or Azure or otherwise Google cloud platform somewhere. Spend some time. If tomorrow if it is required to work, you are feeling very comfortable there. Okay, if you want to be long term in software industry, compulsory what you require to do is you have to do like this. Okay, so always new technologies, new things, you have to habitize, you have to adapt easily, then your life will be very smooth in the IT industry. Clear? Are you feeling right? Because our life is a very small life. Our life is a very small, very small. Okay, like our lifespan is very, 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 very small. Okay, very, 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 very small life. Our lifespan is a very, very, very small. Okay, that's why you won't. Okay, this is you won't. You should not take okay wrong things in your life. That's why just very, very simple, sir, very simple. So so 100, if assume that 60 years is the average life, 60 years is the average life for the human being. 60 years is the average life. Sir, assume that assume that 60 into 365 days. Okay, total life 21,900 days only. Okay, this is if everything goes fine, if your life is 60 years, assume it doesn't mean 60 years is the end. Maybe some lucky people are there 100 years also. Okay, like just I'm telling average 21,900 days only. Suppose your life is already 30 years completed. 30 years completed. If your life is already 30 years, 30 into 365, just oddly 10,950 days only. 950 days only in your life. Yeah, in these 10,950 days, have you observed, right? You have to create your impact for the next 100 years in the society. Getting? Now, so if you want, you can observe. If you want, you can observe the people who just who are get 60 years, 55 years. Better to spend some time with them. Okay, 60 years, 70 years. Better to spend some time with them. They are going to tell what mistakes they did in their life. Okay, so I usually, if any old person is coming, I'm always very happy to discuss with that person. Sir, you what you did for the last in your life, how you spend 70 years, can you please explain? At least 2 hours or 3 hours better to spend with them. Okay, then they are going to tell, Durga, I did these are the great things in my life, I did these are the worst things in my life, so that you have an opportunity. Okay, should not to do such type of mistakes in your life. You have the choice, but this person not having the choice. Getting the point? You have the choice. Okay, because you have, life is there, you have age is there, but this person after 70 years, if he want to correct, then automatically it may not possible. Okay, like so that's why better to spend some time with the new people, better to think about the new things. It doesn't mean every new thing you have to follow. Sometimes you can use new things for your testing sake. That's what. Okay, if any old persons are there, don't leave next time. 70 years, 80 years people are there, spend 2 to 3 hours with them. Tataya, can you please tell your story, how those days? Huh? So like grandpa, can you please tell? So grandpa, I have the time, 30 years, 40 years is there in my life, or 50 years are there in my life. Can you please guide, so what type of mistakes I should not do? because you crossed all your life, all the milestones. In what way I have to do? Because I recently I met a person, sir. Recently I met a person. He worked as a driver in RTC. Okay, APSRTC. My relative only. I met this person, driver. His age is almost 65 years. 5 years before, 5 years before he 5 years before he retired. Then I asked this person, my uncle, Mamaya, almost your age is 65 years. You spend at what age you entered in the APSRTC? Like, then that person told, I'm not sure. My total experience is almost 40 to 43 years, 40 to 40 years. Sorry, almost he joined in the 23 or 24 or 25 years. The remaining, okay, you can expect. Okay, almost around 30 plus years. I worked there. 30 plus years I worked there. Like, yeah, excellent. Then I asked, so after 30 years, do you know what about your financial status? Like I asked, Durga, I have two kids, both are married. Okay, both are married. Next, I have my one own house. Okay, like I have. Next, and after that, I have just a 10 lakhs. Bank balance is there. 10 lakhs bank balance is there. Yeah, this is about my property. Like, then I asked, have you did any mistakes? Have you did any mistakes in your life? Array, that day if I did something, then today it will be good. Like, then that person told, Durga, whenever I have full money, I did expenses like anything. I never think about the future. Okay, now I'm struggling like anything. I'm struggling like anything for financial problems. Like, Durga, if you have the money, take care, think about future also. Don't enjoy, temporarily enjoy your life. Like, this person suggested some things, what mistakes he did in his life. Don't do this type of mistakes, Durga, that person told. Getting the point? Yes, friends. Next, there is one person, another person named with Shivaram sir. Like, he came to Durga's after to handle C classes. His age is almost around 70 years. Then, sir, I want to spend at least 2 hours with you. Please give the chance, like I asked. Then immediately that person, Durga, why not? Why not? I will do that. Like, so 2 hours I had. Sir, now at the age of 60, 70 years also, now you came for C classes just for the sake of 10,000, 20,000 rupees. Why? So what about your past, sir? Can you please explain? Like, Durga, my life was too good. So I invested in the real estate by assuming, oh, that thing happened, this thing happened, that thing is happened, and so on. Then nothing happened. Huh? Nothing happened in my life. Nothing happened in my life. So then all my assets gone. Okay, with the mistakes, whatever I did. So not in a position now for the sake of 10,000 rupees, I want to handle at least 1 or 2 batches in Durgasoft, like this person told. Then I ask, so, sir, do you have, okay, any mistakes in your life? That person told, without thinking anything, keep on doing, wrong things. That makes me like this, right? Sir, what about your kids? Have you this point you have to aware very clearly, sir. I remember that point, yeah, like anything. Sir, how many kids you have? I have two kids and three kids. Two sons and one daughter. All the three members are married. Then I asked, sir, what about their progress? Like, Durga, all the people are settled yet very medium kind of thing. Okay, one person, some repair shop, mobile repair shop. Another person is something like small, not the big settlements. Like, so can you please, have you did anything wrong with your kids because their position is not up to the mark today? Like, then he told, I gave full freedom for my kids. That is the bigger mistake what I did. I have to give left and right for my kids. I have to correct them. Okay, I have to correct them. So I gave the choice for the kids. You can do based on your interest. Like, that mistake I should not do. Okay, that mistake I should not do. That is at that time I should not do that. But anyway, I did. That is the bigger mistake. Array, after 10th, dad, I'm very much interested in HEC. HEC. Okay, that is your interest. Please do HEC only. Gone life. Another person came, dad, I'm very much interested in CEC. Array, at the age of 10th class, how this person is getting interest on HEC or CEC and so on? What that person is aware? He don't know anything. But this person gave the chance, okay, you can do on your wish anything. Don't worry, sir. This is because you are feeling they're comfortable. Like sometimes we have to guide them properly. That point I missed. Now their settlement is the 2 to Durga. This person told. Getting the points right. Yes, friends. Because if any old person is coming in my life, minimum 2 hours or 3 hours, definitely I'm going to spend with them. Because to learn something. Okay, now onwards my attitude got changed. I thought that I have to give full freedom for my kids. Now I should not do such a type of thing. Give left and right. Array, this is the proper, these are the advantages are there. If you go like, if you go choose like this, these are the problems you are going to face. Now can you please decide, like I will show in the 3D all the things after 20 years 30 years how your life will be. Okay, believe me, I'm your well wisher. Why you should not why you should not follow my word? Like up to certain level, definitely I will try to give left and right for my kids. Then I realized that getting the point. Observe that I learned something new. Now tomorrow my kid is coming, I want to do like first I will cross check, is it correct or not? If it is not correct, I will guide in the proper way. This is not the correct, because so and so things are going to be happening in your life. Getting the things right. Okay, like anyway, so always highly recommended. Something new is the very important in your life, so please take a bit very special care about this. Okay, scroll on MHN, the most valuable, very important point, new activity for the next level. Then what about these things, of course. Do you want me to tell? Yes, it is. Yeah. Do you want me to tell? Okay. Now, just these are the keywords most of the times. Not most of the times. Every time I'm going to check. Don't worry. Maybe helpful for you people. Yes. 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 Okay. Very important, sir. Usually, I won't share this type of things. Okay. Anywhere, because these things I told for my personal sake. Okay. But anyway, nothing will be there wrong. If it is helpful for you, yes means speed. S means speed, speed, speed. Okay. So I want to do something after 3 years. So what is the use? What is the use? Correct time, correct, finish. That's all. Okay, correct time, correct, finish. Okay, like speed. For in your activities, speed must be required. Slowly, okay, I will do that. Slowly, I will do that. Such type of thing is not at all entertainable. Compulsory for everything, timeline should be there. So when compared with the remaining, we have to complete that within the max speed, within the less time only. Okay, the people are thinking about that by the time we have already completed. Best example, sir. So for the institute, job portal is required, so that helpful for the students. We started durgajobs.com. We started Durga Jobs so long days before. At that time, in Amirpet, thousands of institutes are there. No institute thinking about job portal, thinking about job portal for the students. No institute thinking about that. Then automatically, so we thought that for the videos, okay, if we are going to share our knowledge through videos, it may be publicity. Then a number of advantages like Durga Software YouTube channel. Okay, like Durga Software YouTube channel, like so after starting these things, after 5 to 6 years, now the remaining people are thinking about, oh, we require Durga Jobs because Durga Sort people are having durgajobs.com. Like that, we require to have some other. Okay, like so means the remaining people thinking about that. By that time, we did already. We left that. We are looking for next level. Getting such a type of thing must be required. So yes means what? Please respond. Yes means what? Speed, speed. Your friends are going to tell, Are, do you aware about that? Do you aware about that? Then immediately you have to tell, Are, Already I aware, man. Already I did that. Okay. Such type of dynamicness must be required in you. In you, it is that much important, sir. Hurry, do you know what happened yesterday? What happened in the IPL? In the IPL, what happened? So these Hyderabad people are otherwise Deccan Chargers. Okay, these people came, entered, they won. Something like after 10 minutes, he's going to tell, do you aware? Hurry, already I know that. Okay, because by that time everything you have to do means that much dynamicness, that much speed must be required for you. Okay, like that's sir. Next, H, the most valuable. These points are, how many people are going to believe this? Okay, I'm always going to cross check all these words. I can use the word, these are the words which I'm always going to use. These are the keywords in my life. Okay, just I'm sharing with you people. H means okay, so anyone, can you please imagine what is the H? Please respond. Can you please imagine once? Because you spend with me long time. Yeah, H means honesty, hard work, hours. Okay, like so. My H means highest, highest, highest result work. Highest result work. So result work. I never going to do all the activities wastely. Okay, I will choose one or two activities which are going to provide biggest results. Such type of activity only I have to do the highest result work, divided into small pieces, small pieces, small pieces. Okay, pieces like small pieces. Okay, this is, have you remembered Pareto principle? 80%, 20% of activities are going to provide 80% of results. 20% of activities are going to provide 80% of result, like so that 20% of activities I'm always going to choose, I'm always living. Then you may have the bigger doubt, sir. In your busy schedule taking the classes, and you are telling that learning the new things, preparing the documents, how it is going to be happen? Because except my family, I'm not having any other activities. Yes, are you getting my point? Are you getting my point, right? So I'm always going to filter my activities. I'm always going to choose highest result work. If it is a big problem, divide it into small pieces, and do piece by piece. Then Saturday it's going to be completed. I'm always looking about that own work. Anyone, can you please tell what is R? Yeah. Anyone, can you please imagine, visualize? Yeah, that's my personal keywords. You never going to find anywhere, sir. These are my own created keywords. I kept, to success in my life, compulsory these things I have to follow. With my experience, I choose these things. Anyone, can you please tell R, relation, rapid, robust, reject, like, yeah, please confirm, think about that. Okay, so the next, the biggest thing what I'm thinking about, right? No. Okay, no. R means I'm always thinking about reusability. Okay, if we do some work, compulsory that work should be reusable. We should not repeat again and again. Getting the things. If we do some activity, that activity should be reusable. Reuse that. Being software engineer, reusability is the most important. Wherever the code is required, we have to write the code only once, and we have to reuse the same code multiple times. Maintaining code libraries. Have you remembered? Majority of software libraries, code libraries, they are going to maintain for common requirements. You have to check. Check. You require to check in the library. If it is not available, then only implement. Yes, reusability of your activities must be required. If you want to do any activity, that activity should not be one time activity. You have to do that, and it should be reusable in the future. Okay, remember, it is very important. Suppose I'm just while handling this session, I'm recording this session. Now observe, tomorrow if any person is going to ask me, can you please take this session again? Sorry, man, already this video is there, please go through that. Have you observed, right? 2018 I took last Python online batch. 2020 I'm taking next Python online batch. But meanwhile, Durga sir delivered Python classes thousands of times, not directly my videos delivered. Getting my point? Yes, friends. Are you in the position to understand my words? Next 2020, I took Python. Maybe next Python when I'm going to take, maybe 2025 or maybe 2027. Getting? So, but meanwhile, Durga sir handling Python. Where? Okay. I handled Java class almost around 7 to 8 years before. But everyone aware Durga sir is expert in Java. Okay. Because Durga sir handling Java classes, oh, lakhs of people every day. How? Not Durga sir. Okay. My videos are handling. Getting the thing? So very recently, in some platform, I completed, 1,50,000, sorry, 1,67,000 people throughout the world. Durga sir has the students. 1,60,000 students across 150 countries. Durga sir having. Hurry, I never handled, but how? My videos. Getting the point, right? That's what reusability. If you do some work today, that work should generate that thing should be reusable. This is, yeah. Have you observed, right? Some mostly people says that Java means Durga sir. Yeah. Okay. Really, some people are going to feel Durga sir is the expert in Java. Durga sir is the expert in Java. Sorry, man. I handled Java classes almost 8 years before, but I didn't. Still, if tomorrow if I'm going to announce Java batch, minimum 200 members will be there in my batch. I'm sure. The reason for that, what I did that day, that thing is the reusable every day. Getting my point? What is the meaning of reusable? Next, the wo, the most valuable point, sir. Wo, wo. Okay, like anyone, can you please guess what is the wo? What is the meaning of wo? Wo. Respond. Anyone? Anyone? Can you please tell what is the wo? Hmm. Opportunity. Wo means yeah. Organization. Yes, whoops, object-oriented programming, outstanding object. Yeah, it is something like more or less reusability only, but anyway, one-time effort, but continuous results. But continuous results. Sir, I require to do this work. Is it required to do this work every time? Every time? Every time? Or if I do one time? If I do one time, is it going to provide continuous results? Is it going to provide continuous results? Okay, like, are you getting? More or less reusability only, but this word also, if I'm doing some work, every time I'm going to check, is it one time activity but continuous results, one time effort but continuous results? Okay, one time activity but continuous results. Okay, this is wo. I'm not elaborating much. Anyway, just I hope if we are getting the time somewhere, definitely I will explain with examples what is the meaning of that. Just anyway, I hope this word itself is self-explanatory. You can understand. It's not Greek and Latin. You have to do this activity one time, but it will be helpful lifetime. It will be helpful forever. Yes, that is. So, whoa. What is the next one? L. L means? L means? Anyone? Ayyo, L means love, learning. Ah, just because I told, right, these are my own keywords. These are my own keywords. Okay, in my life, every day I'm going to use these keywords. My own creation. L means, what is that? What is this L? L means, okay, less less efforts, but more results. Less effort but more results, because all these things are business related, your development progress related. Don't worry, I'm not talking about attachments kind of thing. Okay, it is not talks about relations. Okay, like so less efforts but more results. So if I have 10 activities are there, then I'm always going to do where I have to do less efforts, but big results where we are going to get. I'm always thinking about these words. Okay, like next, what is the next one? Ye. Ye. Anyone, can you please guess what is my ye? What is my ye? Yeah. Anyone? Can you please guess what is the ye? Ye. Okay, like active. active. Okay, I'm always thinking about in my activities, in my activities compulsory, in my activities compulsory automation, automation. I'm always thinking about that. Okay, we should not do the activities manually. The missions has to do that, the missions has to do that automation. I'm always thinking about automation. We should not waste our efforts in repeated activities, right? Okay, that activity should be automated, which should be done automatically. Every time you have to check whether that thing happened, this thing happened, such a type of thing. I don't want to do that. Everything should be automated, automated, automation. Very, very important, sir. Okay, like next, yes, luckily, N. I told N. I told what is that N? What is the N? Okay, what is the N? Yeah, I told, right? New activity, new activity for next level. Very important, sir. You are always at some level. To move to the next level, what is the new activity? I have to do that. Okay, new activity, new member I met, new place I visit, new activity I did. That new itself is the N. Okay, like so earlier at the beginning days, I thought that these seven are my keywords, okay, in my success. Every day I record to check these things. Like I thought that, but later I added these two words also with my experience, because tomorrow I may add some more word also. But anyway, if it is required, next M. So this is also most valuable in our life. It is also most valuable. Iphone means nothing, sir. So for reading purpose, I kept Srolan MH. Okay, like so this is Srolan MH, like I told. M is iPhone is nothing is there. Don't worry. Don't too much specific. So this word may not be applicable for you people, because the reason for that, you are okay. If you are already okay in settled like these type of things, if you are already responsible to handle several things, this is so the most valuable thing we should not ignore in our life. We should not ignore in our life. Okay, is money. Remember this one, sir. Money, most valuable thing we should not ignore in our life. Some people may feel Durga sir is the business person. No. This is also very, very important. If you so the money makes n number of things in our life. Believe money, sir. Definitely money makes n number of things in your life. Somewhere I heard one beautiful statement. Okay, have you ever heard about this type of statement? Are డబ్బే అన్ని రోగాలకి మందు కాదు. Okay, money is not medicine for all diseases. Somewhere you may heard about this. Are somewhere you may heard about this statement. Money is not the medicine for all diseases. Like, have you heard about this one, right? So in Telugu we can use the word well, are డబ్బే అన్ని రోగాలకి మందు కాదు, గుర్తుపెట్టుకో. Someday definitely you are going to struggle, like, but my perspective, I will tell in one Telugu movie. It is the famous dialogue, sir. So not Telugu movie, somewhere I saw, money is not medicine for all the diseases. Money is not medicine for all the diseases. But if you have the money, if you have the money, you can buy medicine for all diseases. Huh? Okay, if you have the money, if you have the money, you can buy the medicine for all the diseases. Okay, for all means up to up to up to acceptable, up to available. Okay, like yeah. Okay, money is not the medicine for all diseases, but you can buy the medicine if you have the money. Okay, like this is very important. Next, in Telugu one movie, uh, in Telugu one movie is there, my favorite movie, named with businessman. So in that movie, one dialogue is there. రే డబ్బే శాశ్వతం, డబ్బు శాశ్వతం కాదు, మనస్సులు, మనుషులు, రిలేషన్స్, దీస్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ పర్మనెంట్ ఇన్ అవర్ లైఫ్. మనీ ఈజ్ నాట్ పర్మనెంట్. మనీ ఈజ్ నాట్ పర్మనెంట్. ఓకే, which thing is the permanent in our life is relations. These kind of things are permanent in the life. Okay, do you know, this is usually the people are always thinking. But Mahesh Babu, businessman, the dialogue is అరే మనుషులు పుడుతుంటారు, పోతుంటారు, కానీ సొసైటీలో మనీ is the permanent. Okay, the people born and dead, but money is always there in the society. Are you getting? Money is always there in the society. Okay, like this is the dialogue there. Okay, of course, considerable dialogue, considerable dialogue from businessman movie, Telugu movie. Okay, like yeah. So if you have money, is not medicine for all the diseases, but if you have the money, you can buy the medicine for any disease. Remember carefully, right? Money. So if you start playing with the money, then automatically, if money starts playing with you, then your situation is very horrible, you can't bear. That's why don't play games with the money, the most valuable important thing. Okay, like so if there is any chance to earn some money legally, okay, we should not miss that opportunity. That's what, legally. Okay, like correct time. Chandan is telling we don't take money with us when we die. Yeah, correct, correct. But to create our impact, okay, to create our impact in the next generations, okay, to do to do a good thing for the society, money must be required. Okay, getting the point? Okay, essential, the most essential thing. Sir, you can contact, you can cross check. Because of lack of money, how many things you are missing in your life? If you want, you can cross check. Because of lack of money, how many things you are missing in your life? Chandan, you can cross check. Don't play games with money. Okay, give importance for the money. Next, anyone, can you please tell what the next H? I have. Okay, this is also the most valuable, sir. Okay, the most valuable things, valuable things, sir. So H, anyone, can you please think about that? Yeah. Okay, so H means this is the most valuable thing. Do you know, in our life, in our life, every time, so just in the while we were in the school, okay, while we were kid, okay, then then you are always thinking about, if you go to the school, then a number of friends are there, like so just I have to go to the school, some people maybe. Next, after school, while you are in the school, you are always thinking about, array, in the school teachers are giving left and right. If it is the college, then they won't give left and right. Okay, like the people are always going to think about college. Okay, college. So but once he entered into the college, the story is the different. Intermediate plus two, the story is the different. Oh, if you are not going to study, you won't get engineering seat, you won't get medicine seat, like wow, two worst life will be there in that. Every day, every minute is the important. Next, once luckily luckily I got two good rank. I got the seat in IIT or otherwise in somewhere, medicine MBBS seat in the best college, like now the father is telling, array, if you are going to study these 5 years well, then your life is going to be settled, like another 5 years I require to work. Okay, I have to do in the IIT or otherwise MBBS or something, like next, and after that MD. Next, and after that, assume that medicine side MD. Next, and after that, marriage, kids, life. Okay, so in our life, some every stage, some issue is there. Correct, right? Every stage, some issue is always there. Every stage is, sir, every day some issue is there. Array, once if I'm getting the job, then my life will be very happy. Every month salary, my financial problems are gone. But once you got the job, now the new problems are going to start. Correct? Now the new problems are going to start. If I change the company, okay, then this worst company, I'm not in a position to work. If I change the company, then my life will be smooth. If you change the company, there a number of new problems you are seeing there. Okay, like so means that in our life, issues are very common. In our life, issues are very common. Problems are very common. Okay, without problems, without, you can't find any place without having the problems. You can't find any person without having the problems. Remember that you can't find anywhere, sir, without having the problems. Problems are very common. That's why, so even problems are coming, even issues are there, but your happiness should not be missed. Every minute we should be spelling is the correct. HAPPYRI. Correct. Okay. Every minute happiness must be required. We have to enjoy every minute of life, because sir, today money is not there, that's why we are missing happiness. Tomorrow money is there, that's why we will get happiness. No, no. That happiness must be there, okay, at every stage of your life. So please do something to make yourself is happy, because today today time gone, then tomorrow, array, at my childhood I didn't play, or otherwise I didn't play. Next, while working, while learning, uh, I didn't find the time to enjoy my life, Now I have everything, but I'm not in a position to enjoy my life. Some people are going to feel such type of things. Have you remembered, right? Array, while learning, not finding the time. While having the time, you are not having the health, or these kind of things may not support. That's why every so permanent happiness also must be required for you people. You require to do something for your happiness. Okay, like don't miss this thing. This is also very important factor in our life. Happiness must be required at every stage. Okay, remember that. Because some people are going to think, some people are going to think, Array, my kid future should be too good. That's why my kid future should be too good. He should become IITN, or otherwise he should become big doctor. Like, Array, day one onwards, in the LKG, nursery, play school only, the parents are start going to the school, and then after coming back, open the book, homework, dot. Okay, you should have some childhood memories. Remember carefully. So life is important. Okay, just future is important. In addition to that, the age happiness is also important. Okay, that's what we should not miss this word in our day. Okay, so n number of issues are there, n number of problems are there, but that happiness also must be required for us. Remember carefully, right? Okay, next, sir, MH. Okay, H means, sir, another thing is also very important, sir. MH square is my formula. Okay, MH square. Okay, you have n number of things in your life, but ultimately health is also important. Health is wealth. Okay, like, health is wealth, it is. So you have to take care about this one also. Getting the points? If you are not taking care, then automatically, so you have 100 crores, 1,000 crores, but your health is not up to the mark. What the use of that? Okay, what the use of that? You reached CM level, PM level, but your health is not good. You may leave this world in the middle. What kind of problem it is? Getting the point, right? Getting the point, right? That's why, so without health you can't do anything. That's why health concern also very important for our life. Remember. Okay, these Srolan, MH square is the formula. MH square is the formula. Every day I'm thinking about, if I have some time, am I doing so, my activities are reflecting these things or not. Every day I'm going to check. Okay, if it is doing that, yeah, if it is doing that. Okay, like, if it is doing, if we are related to there, then happiest life will be there for our success, for our happiness, for our enjoy. Okay, these keywords I'm always using. Getting the things, friends? Can you please confirm? All my, nothing is there with me, sir. I shared everything. I shared everything because nothing. What the use of keeping those things? Okay, nothing. I'm following these rules. I'm always following. That's why Srolan MH is going to change your life, I'm sure. Is it really helpful for you people, right? Yes, friends. almost whatever each and every point, I'm always thinking, I'm always doing some analysis in every area, sir, with all my experiences. Okay, I created some keywords for my life. In the future, we should not ignore these keywords. Okay, like I identified every keyword is a gold. Remember this one in my perspective. That may not in your perspective, I don't know. Okay, in my perspective, every keyword is the golden point for me. Every day, every minute, I'm always checking. So am I doing scroll on mh square? Okay, am I doing with the speed or not? Array speed is important. This area we are not up to the mark, so we have to make some speed, we have to change the gear. Like I will check that. Next, sir, this is also very important, which is going to change the life like anything, friends. It is going to change your what we call your style of your lifestyle is going to be changed with this word, whether you are going to believe or not. Even we did a number of videos in the last somewhere, I highlighted this point also. So don't do every activity whatever you have unnecessary. In Telugu we have wonderful proverb. Do you know, నిమిషం తీరిక లేదు దమ్మిడి ఆదాయం లేదు. In Telugu we have wonderful proverb, నిమిషం తీరిక లేదు దమ్మిడి ఆదాయం లేదు. Means you are not vacant for a single minute, but single paisa also is not there in your pocket. Then what is the use of that busy? Okay. Morning to evening full busy, but there is no result. Morning to evening you are completely dedicated in the office, but at the end of the month your salary is very less. What you can do? Waste. That's why don't do all the activities. Filter, prioritize highest result work only I have to do that. Lesser result work I should not touch. Okay, I will arrange. Okay, like I will arrange some people to do those kind of things. Wherever highest results are there, my time, my concentration is always that particular area only. Next, and after that, reusability. Okay, if I do something, it should be reusable multiple times. Okay, it should be reusable multiple times. Durga sir did Java videos in the 2005 or 2006 or 2014, but still Java videos are going to be so n number of students throughout the world learning Java. Okay, one time activity. Okay, but continuous results. Have you observed? More or less, more or less. Okay, next, less efforts, more results. If you have any such type of activity, we should not miss. So array here you require to work small, but big results are there, such type of thing. But anyway, please make sure don't try to find shortcuts for illegal money. Shortcut to get the money, these kind of things are not going to work. Okay, legalizer, everything should be legalizer, very important. Next, automation, because our life is very small. If you have to do every activity manually, your lifetime is not enough. I told our life is very small, very small. I told, right, how many these many days is the total lifespan for the human being. Already our age 30 plus, so almost around 10,000 days only will be there on the earth. Remember, that's next. So new activity for next level. Today, every day you require to cross check. Yeah, my every day you require to cross check. Yeah, my did any new activity in my life. Okay, yeah, I met any new person. Yeah, I learned something. Okay, like what is your next level? You have to decide new activity for that next level must be required. Next, don't play games with money. If the money start playing games with you, then you can't bear. The life will be very horrible. Okay, if you have the money, you can buy medicine for anything. Don't believe money is not medicine for all. Okay, think in reverse. Okay, next, happiness. This is the most valuable thing for you people, right? At every age you should not miss this one. At every stage of your life you should not miss this one. Okay, compulsory you have to spend some time for about this keyword also, which is a very important, sir. Next, all these things are nothing if you are not having proper health. So please be health conscious. Okay, you should be fit. Clear? What is the formula? Yes, friend. Srolan mh square. Hmm. Do you know how much importance I'm giving these words? whether you are going to believe or not, whether you are going to believe or not. Just I went there for some tattoos on the hands. Tattoos the people are going to keep, right? Tattoo, what is the word, correct word is the tattoo? Tattoo, right? I asked a tattoo guy, can you please on my hand, can you please tattoo these I have Srolan MH, can you please write as a tattoo, just green with the green ink tattoo, can you please write on my hand, like I asked that person. Then that person told, sir, permanent, temporary is not possible. Permanent, temporary is not possible, sir. Like I asked. So anyway, if it is required, can I rub? Such type of facility is there or not? I asked one shop wala. Then that person told, sir, permanent. Sorry, it is once we kept it is the permanent, sir. Because tomorrow my formula may be changed. Then I may be in the problem. That's why I didn't went for tattoo. I thought that I have to keep these words as the tattoo on my hand. That much importance I'm giving for these words. Believe me, sir. Getting my point? Okay. Please take a bit special care. My experiences, like all these things, all my experience put into 7 to 9 keywords. 7 is my lucky number, 9 is my next lucky number. 9 keywords are there. Okay, these 9 keywords, if you are going to follow, you may. Okay, I am enjoying my life. Yeah, that's all, friends. Friends, are you getting my intention of these things? Okay, so these are my keywords for your success. You can for your success, sir, I'm succeeding, definitely tomorrow my position is too good, I will be at the top position with these keywords. Okay, believe me, sir. So the people who are viewing this video, whatever you are feeling, either positive or negative, or positive or negative, anything, sir, better to write in the comments. Okay, what things you felt very happy, what things you felt bad. Okay, whatever positive things or negative things, better to write in the comment section. If you feel happy, so definitely share this video for your friends. So it is going to be very helpful for them also. Thank you. Add on point, even for me. Okay, who is my favorite heroine? Assume that Katrina Kaif is my favorite heroine. Assume that. Is compulsory your favorite heroine is the same? No, right? No, right? Need not be. Okay, need not be right. Okay, so your favorite heroine may be different, right? Maybe different. So in my perspective, okay, these are the keywords I'm always following. Okay, it doesn't mean these keywords are exactly same for you people also. Okay, you can remove something, you can add something, and so you should have your own keywords in your life for your success, based on your experience, based on your circumstances. Observe carefully, right? Observe carefully. Based on your circumstances, based on your business, based on your life, based on your experiences, you may add some keywords, you may remove some keywords, no problem, right? Okay, because these are with respect to me. Okay, with respect to you, maybe new keywords. That's why. But my intention is everyone having a set of keywords. Okay, everyone having a set of keywords. Okay, every day you require to think about those keywords in your day-to-day activities. That's about my intention. Yes, some people are telling, so continuous learning is missing in this. Yes, correct, continuous learning is missing. Okay, some people are telling, honest to self. Yes, very important, very important. Self honest to self is the most important. Next, teach others is another important thing. Next, some people are telling help is missing here. Okay, like, yeah, that's correct. So I told, right, person to person, situation to situation, experiences to experiences, these keywords are going to be changed. But these are my own created keywords based on my experiences, based on my current activities, based on your experiences, based on your activities, based on your activities. Okay, what you have to do, create your own keywords. Okay, and every day you require to cross check. That's my intention. Yeah. That's
Just it is in recording, just maybe helpful for everyone who is listening this video also. Okay, so if you observe, so almost I have almost teaching experience. Next and after that my BTech, MTech. Next I worked in some engineering colleges as a faculty, and then 5 years IBM job, and then 10 years, more than 10 years with this Durga software. Okay, like with all these things, okay, just for success in our life. I identified only one small rules. Remember that. Of course, it's not my discovery. It's not my invention. Somewhere, some expert person provided a good guideline for me. Okay, if you want to success in your life, if you want to success anywhere, better to follow this small rule. Then your life will become very happy. This is the word that person, that expert person suggested. Then slowly I started implementing. Then I'm seeing the results also. Do you want me to share this rule, this suggestion for you to success in your life in every aspect? Do you really require? Yes. Do you really require? So that I will share, so that you people also will apply this rule everywhere, so you can able to success in your life also, in every area, sir, in every area. Remember that. Remember, sir, what the rule they told ye? Just a simple rule, sir. A simple rule to success in our life. Okay, sir, just among almost there are several students are there in this session. how many people how many people want 100 out of 100 everywhere? Yes, sir, I'm always trying for 100 out of 100. Of course you may succeed or not, so I'm always, my target is always 100 out of 100 I have to get, sir. Okay, anyone there in this session? Yes, I want 100 out of 100. Anyone there in this session? Can you please? Then I'm feeling very happy, sir, if I'm getting, if I'm getting 100 out of 100, if anyone there. So the people who are thinking about 100 out of 100, 100 out of 100 I require, that person, in my perception, is the stupid. Okay, he never going to succeed in his life any time. Remember this one. He never going to succeed in his life any time. Okay, so just to pass exam, government decided, most of state governments decided 35% is enough out of 100. Correct or not? 35% is enough out of 100. Out of 100, just you pass that exam. Yes, you are eligible for to go to the next level. To go to the next level. Similarly, if you are getting 60%, sir, you will be awarded with the first grade. Okay, 60% is itself with the first grade, sir. Next, 70 or 80%, 70% means you are the distinction candidate. Are you getting right? Distinction, distinct. Yeah, you are specialized. Distinction person. Okay, like. So please make sure you never, the person who is going to concentrate 100 out of 100, that person never going to succeed in his life. I'm sure, sir. Okay, please don't try for 100 out of 100. If any person is going to try out of 100 out of 100, then definitely he never going to succeed in his life. Remember, this is one small point what you people should be aware. Of course, this is not my goal. Okay, so usually in our colleges also, in your classmates also, the person who is the class topper, he's not going to settle in his life properly. Have you remembered, right? If you want, you can cross check your class, BTech or MCA. Sir, who is the topper? That topper. So just a average student, above average student can settle very easily when compared with the topper. because his target is always 100 out of 100. He may miss a number of things. Just 60, 70% is enough. Rest of the time, I want to utilize in other activities. The people who are going to think in this type of thing, then definitely they are going to succeed in their life. Remember this one, sir. So don't try, don't be very optimistic. Okay, like don't be, sir, I should be 100% perfection is required. Then only I will do that. Don't do such a type of activities. Are you getting first point? Any doubt? Friends, related to the first point, any doubt? Okay, now, sir, anyway, this is not my required guideline for you people, right? Now I have one small doubt, small question for you people, right? Sir, I have total 10 activities I have to do that. 10 activities I have to do, sir. Total 10 activities I have to do. Maybe in your company, in your job, day-to-day job, 10 small tasks are there. Or otherwise, in your regular day-to-day home related assignments, okay, 10 activities are there. Anyway, 10 activities are there. You have to do that. Can you please tell? Can you please tell how many people are going to do all the 10 activities? They are going to keep on the paper, or otherwise they are going to keep in their mind. First activity completed, second activity completed, third activity, next fourth activity. Like if, sir, how many people are going to follow some sequence? Once that 10 activities are completed, then I'm the so happiest person. Anyone there? Can you please tell? So I will start from the first activity. Once it is completed, second activity, once it is completed, third activity, once it is completed, fourth one, fifth one, like this. So on a sequence I'm going to do. Yes, 10 activities completed. Yes, my job completed. Like that. Anyone is going to feel like that? Can you please confirm? Please, I won't mind anything. Anyone there? Yes, friends. Anyone there with this type of thing? No. No. Yes, Naukant. What about anyone there related to this type of thing? Okay, good. Now, one small thing. The people who want to do this type of activities, the people who want to do this type of sequential order, first activity, after that second activity, after that third activity, after that fourth activity, if any person is going to do like this, that person never going to succeed in their life. Remember this one. So sequential activities don't do, sir. Okay, well, excellent. You should not do that. Okay, sequential is not recommended. Okay, well. Now I have one small doubt. I mean, next question. Sir, among these 10 activities, first I will choose easy, small activities first. Small activities first. And then big activities next. Anyone there? Anyone there? Small activities first, and then next big activities I'm going to do that. Anyone, can you please tell? Sir, I'm always following this type of approach. Small activities first I will do, and then big activities next. Because small activities, if we are going to do, yes, we will get some energy. Okay, with that energy, later I can able to complete big activities, no problem at all. Like anyone, can you please tell? Yes, Sushil is one person, Kushbu is another. Any other? Can you please confirm? Because based on your response only. Yes, now Kant is also. The people, yeah, good, Vishal, excellent. Any other person? Any other? Small activities first and then big activities next. Okay, believe me, sir, believe me, the people who are having this type of mindset, the people who are having this type of mindset, they never going to succeed in their life. Remember this one. Are you getting? They never going to succeed in your life. Okay, especially Sushil, Kushbu, Naukant, Vishal, take a bit special care. Your approach, you are in the wrong track. Okay, well, excellent, sir. Sir, now, how many people are very much interested on big activities first, sir? I will do big activities and then small activities. and then small activities. Okay, anyone there? Sir, first big activities I will do. Once big activities are going to be completed, then small activities anyway very easily we can able to do that. Anyone there with this type of mindset? Please confirm so that I will explain. Don't worry. Yes. Any person is there with this type of mindset? Big activities first and then small activities next. Okay, excellent. If any person follow this type of style, I'm sure, sir, they never going to succeed in their life. Are you getting? They never going to succeed in their life. Remember that. Okay. So now observe that there are some people are there. Forget about big activity, small activity. Forget about that. There are some people are there are there. They're always going to do easy activities first. Easy activities first, and then difficult activities. Difficult activities. Yes. Anyone? Can you please tell this type of thing? So small activity is the different, easy activity is the different. Observe that. Approve terminology is the different. Anyone? Easy activities first, and then difficult activities next. Anyone there with this type of mindset in our session? Please confirm. Respond. If anything is going to be matched, please let me know. Because whether you are going to succeed or not, I can able to tell. Easy activities and then difficult activities next. Okay, I'm sure. Yes. Okay. Well, let me tell that option also. First, I will do difficult activities first. Difficult activities first, and then easy activities next. And then easy activities next. Okay. Can you please tell anyone follow? How many people follow first one? How many people follow second one? At least now everyone in this session should be one of these two. Can you please confirm? Yes. Good. One or two. That's all I want to listen from you. Don't tell not applicable. One or two. Yes. Shivaram, first in, first out order. Good. Any other? Good. Okay. Yes. So take a bit very special care. The people who are always going to prefer easy activities first and then difficult activities next. The people, these category of the people never going to succeed in their life. Okay, Sushil, Naukant, Kushbu. So most of the people are always following this type of thing. Okay, easy activities first and then difficult activities next. No, these people never going to succeed in their life. Excellent. What about this one? What about this? Difficult activities first and then easy activities next. Can you please confirm? Yeah. Can you please confirm? Is these people are going to succeed in their life or not? Yes, friends. Is these people are going to succeed in their life or not? No, never going to succeed. Partially also no chance at all. Don't worry. They never going to succeed in their life. Are you getting? Sir, you are telling everything they never going to succeed, never going to succeed. Then where is the success, sir? Like you may ask the question. Take very special care. Okay, that point is very important. The people who want a big success formula, listen very carefully these points, sir. So our habitization, our body language, our mentality is always, are small activity only, can you please do? Are easy activity only, can you please do? This type of terminology, this type of mindset for most of the people are having. Attitude, this type of attitude most of the people are having. The people who are having this type of attitude, even our parents also, are small work only, right? Chinna pane kada, small work only, right? Can you please do that? Easy thing only, right? Can you please do that? The people who are always going to prefer small activity, easy activity, or difficult activity, they never going to succeed in their life. Remember that, sir. Okay. There is one important thing is there. Total how many activities are there? Please confirm. Total how many activities are there? Yes, 10 activities are there, sir. Activity number 1. Assume that activity number 1. Okay. Total 10 activities are there. Activity number 1. Okay, sir, here 10 activities are there. Just 1 minute, so that you will get much clearly. Sir, 5, next 6, next 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Total 10 activities are there, sir. So the people who are always going to follow first in, first out, last in, first out, random order, these people never going to succeed. The people who are going to choose easy activities first and then difficult, or difficult first and then easy next, or small activities first and then big activities next, or big first, they never going to succeed. Remember this. So first list out what activities are there for you. Okay, I told at the beginning only, the people who are going to do 100, who are going to target 100 out of 100, they never going to succeed. Sorry, here take a bit special care. Out of these 10 activities, which activity, the rule, thumb rules are very important. Which activity will provide biggest results? Are you getting? This is a very important, sir. Which activity will provide highest results? Are you getting? Highest results. So like compulsory, so you can able to filter, sir. So all activities not having the same result. Okay, some activities having very lesser results, some activities having big results. Like which activity will provide highest result? First, we have to identify that activity, whether it is a small activity or big activity, or it is the first one or last one, or whether it is easy activity or difficult activity. Forget about that. Which activity will provide highest result? The success people always going to target that activity first. Remember that. Suppose activity 5, which is going to provide biggest results, sir. This is the highest priority work. Compulsory, this is going to provide highest, biggest results, right? Like that. Okay. First, we have to choose this activity. We require to complete this activity, sir. So it never talks about first in, first out, random order. It never talks about easy and then difficult, or difficult and then easy. Irrespective of all these factors, which activity will provide biggest results for me? That activity you require to choose. You require to choose and start complete that. Next activity. So once you completed this one, then once you completed this, then how many remaining activities are there? Can you please confirm how many remaining activities are there? 9. In the remaining 9, which is going to provide next biggest results? Next biggest results, sir. This activity will provide next biggest results. Are you getting? This activity will provide next biggest results, right? Yeah. Okay. The people. So if you are going to complete these 2 activities, if you are going to complete these 2 activities, 80% of results already came, sir. Are getting 80% of results already came. Pareto principle, like there is one principle is there, sir, in the business management, in software, everywhere we are going to use 80% of results are 80% of results. 80% of results will come only from 20% of activities. 20% of activities. Remember this one, sir. Okay, Pareto principle. It's a 80 by 20, 80 by 20, or 20 by 80 rule, sir. It's a fundamental rule in the business management. You know, 80% of results will come only from 20% of activities. Okay, if you are going to do these 2 activities, 80% of results already came, sir. 80% is already came. Then the remaining 20% is going to come from the remaining 8 activities, right? Remember that. After completing these 2 activities, how many remaining activities are there? Can you please confirm how many remaining activities are there? 8 activities. 8 activities will provide how much results? Do you know? Just 20% of results. 2 activities will provide 2 activities will provide 80% of results. 80% of results. Just 8 activities will provide 20% of results. Are you getting? So if you are going to complete these two things, then 80% of results already came, sir. The remaining 20% is going to come because of 8 activities only. That's why whether you are going to do or not going to do, there is no much impact. If you want, you can leave the remaining happily. You can enjoy your life. Are you getting? Yes, Naukant, Kushbu, have you ever prioritized your activities like this? Compulsory we require to do, man. Compulsory we require to do. If you are not going to prioritize our activities, how the success is going to come? So some people, you people may heard in our classes, just do you know there are some people are there in our I mean in your classmates. If you remember your college days, in the college there are some students are there. They're always studying morning to evening. Yeah, they never be without book. Book is always there. Book is always there. They always keep on studying. At the end, results, they are going to get 60% or 65%. But there are some smart people out there. They never want to study, sir. But once the results are going to come, 80%, 90% of results are going to come from them. Vary the difference. Vary the difference. The person who is going to study, keep on. First is going to open the first page. Okay, page number 1. Who is the author? Who is the author? Next, what is the first line? What is the index? What is the use of all these nonsense? Are you getting? So he's keep on studying like from first page, first line to last page, last line. What is the use of that? Array, which important questions are there? Which are very important, compulsory. I'm sure in the exam these questions are going to come. There are smart people are always going to concentrate in that. With the less time, they are going to generate big results. They are going to get big results just because of this formula. Have you observed this type of people in your class? Yes, friends. Have you observed, right? Yes, compulsory. Everywhere these type of people are there, sir. Next, not only classroom student, man. In our surroundings only. Do you know, if you consider your father, or if you consider your uncle, or you consider your auntie, someone, a person's surrounding people only. So morning to evening, they're always busy. Morning to evening, they're always busy. Do you know, in Telugu we have one wonderful proverb is there, sir. Wonderful saying is there. In Telugu, I'm using the word, what that is, nimisham tirika ledu, dammidi adayam ledu. Just in Telugu I'm using nimisham tirika ledu, dammidi adayam ledu. What it means is, array, he is not vacant for single minute also. He is not vacant for single minute also. But at the end of the day, how much is earning here? Nothing is going to earn. Because the reason is, first activity, do that. Second activity, do that. Third activity, do that. Keep on morning to evening, keep on busy. At the end of the day, what the results are, nothing will be there, sir. Are you able to get? So here, which activities are going to provide highest results? Compulsory, we have to choose those activities. You have to do that. It's a beautiful management principle, sir. Everywhere the people are going to apply. Don't try to do all the activities. Which activities I have to complete first? Which are going to provide biggest results? You have to identify that. Okay, only those activities you require to do. In my perspective, the person who is going to do 10 out of 10, that person is a stupid person. He never going to succeed in his life. Are you getting right? So at least this year, prioritize your activities. I want to learn Python. I want to learn Java. I want to learn Django. I want to learn REST API. For me, which one is going to provide biggest results? First, identify that. Instead of attending morning one session, afternoon one session, evening one session, which is going to provide biggest results? We have to identify that. In your office, in your office, you may require to do multiple activities, right? Which activities? So are going to convince my team lead, my project manager. If I complete these activities, then my project manager is very happy. Identify those activities and complete that. or which activities is going to provide biggest results to your company. Identify those activities and better to do first those things. Whether these are small or big or easy or difficult, don't worry about that. Getting right? Are you able to understand? It's a beautiful concept, sir. Compulsory you people should have clarity about this terminology. Okay? Then definitely you are going to succeed. Kushbu, sometimes which activity is going to provide how much result, then you are not eligible to do that activity first. If you are doing something, compulsory what result is there, we have to analyze. We should have some expectations about the result. Without knowing the result, why you are doing that? I told right. There is in Telugu, we have another saying, good eddu chelo baddatu antaru. What it means? Anyone can you please translate in Hindi or English? Guddi eddu chelo baddatu. What it means is a blind eddu means a blind what we call ox, a blind ox. You know, it is just in the what we call farm. Okay, from one place it is going to start keep on eating. Array, where good grass is available, where the grass is not good, it don't know. Then automatically, Kushbu, if you don't know the result, then you are like a blind ox. Remember that. Compulsory, if we are doing something, we should have some expectations on the what we call results. So the person who is having this skill, definitely, sir, your lifestyle by default is going to be changed. Just 2 minutes every day night. Array, tomorrow how many activities are there? Morning I have to wake up at 7 or 6 or 5, and then I have to go to the gym. Next and after that I have to go to somewhere. Then, okay. Regarding just you have to identify, oh, first these things are very going to provide big result. First I have to do this. Remaining things, if the time is there, I will do. Otherwise, ignore. No problem at all. If you are having such a type of prioritization, then your life by default lifestyle is going to be changed. Sir, colorful results are going to come. Getting right? I'm eagerly waiting to tell. Sir, I have one question for you. Which is the waste activity in our life? Anyone, can you please tell? Waste activity, sir. This is the waste activity in our life, sir. Anyone there? Anyone, can you please tell? Which is the waste activity in our life? Oh, lowest result work is the waste activity. Yeah, good man, Sushil. You are getting my point. Yeah, happy to listen from you. Next, FB and WhatsApp is the waste. Shivaram, too much, man. Without FB, without WhatsApp, there are several people who can't spend at least 1 minute also. Long sleep is the waste activity. Amol, no chance at all. Sleeping is the biggest asset for the human being. Continuously study is the waste activity. No, too much. Regretting. Naveen, what it means? Regretting means? I didn't get you. Yeah? Regret. Wasting. Okay, well. Can you please tell what is the waste activity in our life? Do you know? The biggest waste activity in our life is, but very unfortunately, out of 100, 90% of the people are always going to do, not like me. Most of the people, sir. Okay? What they are going to do is the activity. He is doing the activity. He is doing the activity in the most beautiful way. In the most beautiful way. No other person is going to do these activities in that like that. He is doing the activity in the most beautiful way, but that activity really not required. Really not required. Observe this one. That activity really not required. Okay, he's doing, most of the people are doing the activities in the most beautiful way, but really that activity is not required to that person. Are you getting right? Is not. Suppose here you are the software engineer. So there you require, suppose assume that that activity is not really required, such type of activities is going to do in the most beautiful way. What is the use of that? Are you getting that? In our company, there are some people are there who are going to manage in the most beautiful way, but that management is not required, man. So being software engineer, coding or otherwise, the activities must be required. Are you able to get? So except our required work, the remaining activities the people are going to do in the beautiful way. Are you getting? Kushbu, now the people are getting my word? Sushil. Very unfortunate. Most of the people are always doing this type of activity, man. Waste activity in our life. Remember that. Okay? So take a bit very special care. 80% of results will come only from 20% of activities. Okay? 80% of results will come only from 20% of activities. Identify those activities and sir, you have to do first that 20% activities, right? If you are going to do such a type of thing, your energy levels are going to be raised like anything, because results are coming. Okay, that's what people should aware. Okay, this is one important point. Now this principle is called Pareto principle, right? I'm not sure, I forgot the name long days before. Anyone aware? Pareto principle. Pareto Pareto principle. Pareto principle or Pareto? Yes, Pareto principle. Have you observed, right? The Pareto principle, 80/20 rule. Okay, 80/20 rule states that mainly roughly 80% of the effects come from 20% of the causes. Are you getting this rule? Everywhere you can apply. Everywhere you can apply. If you want 80/20, 80/20. This is not my own creation, sir. Sir, this is Pareto principle. Everywhere it is going to be applicable. That's why please make sure at least today onwards in this new year, better to plan like that. So one small case study I will suggest, I will tell for you related to this. So how the people are changed the life, changed the life based on these principles. Somewhere in the personality development book, somewhere I saw this one. You know, here the thing is, there is one lady, sir. I'm not sure her name. Anyway, not required also for us. There is one lady. She is doing the job in some company in the US. Assume that in some company in US. Yes, she is doing the job. Almost for the last 12 years onwards, she is doing the same job. Last 12 years onwards, she is doing the same job. Do you know, she is going to approach manager or boss saying, sir, can you please increase my salary? Like, then the manager or otherwise the boss is going to tell, okay, we will look, that's all. So she never going to get increment. Even she is getting increment also. Just you know, that increment is very less. I mean, if someone is crying, okay, just we are going to so like that. Okay, so very less increment. Next, Monday to Saturday. Sometimes Sunday afternoon also she has to work, sir. Okay, so Monday to Saturday and sometimes Sunday also she has to work in the company, morning 8 to evening 8. Then this lady felt like anything. Array, morning to evening, there is no gap at all. Morning to evening, I'm doing the work. Monday to Saturday, even Sunday off, sometimes off also. Array, I'm not spending the time with my family. Next, even in the company, I'm not getting good salary also, good recognition also, not there. Array, how many times I have to ask my boss, but they are not considering. Like this lady starts thinking, hurry, the problem in from my side or the problem from company side? Like this, she starts thinking, sir. She took 3 days leave. Just observe a bit very carefully. She took 3 days leave. She started analyzing the activities. Array, what activities I'm doing from morning to evening in the company? Like she prepared the chart of 17 activities, right? The total activities what she is doing in the company, these 1 to 17 activities are related to company work. She is doing these activities, right? Now what this lady did is 1 to 17, which activities will provide biggest results, highest results to the company. Next, to do this activity, 12 years experience. For how many activities? Really 12 years experience is required. She started thinking in that. Then automatically 12 years experience person, highest results work, she got only 3 to 4 activities only. Are you getting? All the remaining activities are labor activities. Labor activities means anyone can do that. Anyone can do. For that MTech, BTech, or otherwise MCA is not required. The people who are working in the companies, now you can able to connect up in my words. Labor activities in the companies, the people are going to do. Are you getting right? Okay. 3 to 4 activities only. Really 12 years of experience is required, which are going to provide biggest results to the company. Biggest results to the company, sir. Then after completing 3 days leave, she went to the company. Directly she entered into his or boss room, conference boss room. Sir, I want to talk for a few minutes with you. No problem, please. Then what that lady told, anyone can you please guess? What that lady told to her boss is, just she kept on the paper these 17 activities. Sir, among these 17 activities, only 3 to 4 activities will provide biggest results to the company. The remaining activities, okay, anyone can able to do. For that, 12 years of experience is not required. If I will do whole day, only these 3 to 4 activities, then the results will be doubled, definitely, sir. Definitely, doubled, definitely. Okay, if the results are going to be double, then this lady told. So definitely the results are going to be double, sir. If I will leave the remaining activities, if I'm going to concentrate only on 3 to 4 activities, definitely the results are going to be double. Okay, please allocate the remaining activities to someone else. I don't want. Next, if I'm going to double the results in the next 2 months or 3 months, can you please double my salary? This is the demand that lady kept to the boss. Then immediately boss asked her, give some time. Like this was happened morning at 10 or 11. Then at 3 o'clock was called. Okay, accepted. Today onwards, the remaining activities, almost around 12 to 13 activities, you are not required to do. These activities I'm going to allocate to some other people. You are responsible only 3 to 4 activities only. If the results are going to be double, definitely I will double your salary. Like this is the statement that the person used, sir. Boss told, committed. Then after 2 to 3 months, the results are not doubled, the results are tripled, sir. Remember that the salary also got tripled. So if you are going to concentrate, if you are going to spend your time only the activities which are going to provide biggest results, best case study. Are you getting? 12 years, she worked like a labor, technical labor, no improvement. But once this lady applied this rule, then automatically lifestyle got changed. Are you able to understand my words? Okay. Now start thinking which type of labor activities you are doing in your day-to-day life. Are you getting it? Remove those labor activities one by one. So then the remaining which are really required for us, our time we require to spend only on those activities. Remember that if you are going to follow like that, then definitely success is going to come. Do you know? So one just whenever just I got married, one day while I'm just started from the house to the office, then my wife asked her, While coming, can you please bring what we call fruits? Fruits or vegetables, something like my wife told. Then immediately I saw from top to bottom. Here, MTech, computer science. Okay, to bring fruits or vegetables. Am I the person? If you are going to tell once again, I will give left and right. I will send to your native place. This is the word what I use with my wife. Are you getting the point, right? Okay, because bringing vegetables, bringing fruits, any person can able to do, man. Anyone can able to do. For that, MTech is not required. For that, oh, computer science MTech degree is not required, right? Observe that. That division compulsory we require to have. Getting? So labor kind of activities better to live. So in my regular offline sessions, I will ask lady students especially. Anyone, any lady students, Kushbu, any other in this session? Any other lady students are there in this? I mean girls? Yes, one, two. Any other? Okay, just usually in my offline sessions also. Yeah, Kalyani. Usually my offline sessions also, usually I will ask the question, how many people are going to do sweeping the room, especially girls, ladies? I will ask this question in the class. Then immediately some people are going to raise their hand. How many people are going to sweep the room? How many people are going to do cooking? How many people will do you know, washing the clothes and so on? Like I will ask the lady students, or even gents also. Some people are going to raise, because hostels, washing the clothes, all those things must be compulsory, right? Then there are some people who are going to raise their hand. First thing I'm going to tell, if I will ask this question again, if you are going to raise your hands, then definitely I will cut your hands. Cut your hands. This is the statement what usually I use in my regular offline sessions. The reason for that is, array, you are BTech, MTech, MCA completed, well graduates. Your time should spend on more useful activity, not on washing the clothes, not on sweeping the room. Array, just 1,000 or 2,000, 3,000 rupees. If you can ask someone, those people can able to do that activity. For that, MTech is required. For that, BTech is required. For that, MCA is required. No, not required. Then why you are wasting your valuable time in that activities? Getting the point, right? Kushbu ma'am, Nagamani, Kalyani, don't do arrange some maid, okay, some assistant, arrange some assistant. She is going to do all those activities. For that, our time should not be wasted. Remember that. Okay, a simple sir. In you are working in a company. Anyone working in the company? Can you please tell your company name? At least one person. At least one person. Anyone there? Now come the HCL. So HCL, who is the CEO of HCL, sir? Who is the CEO of HCL? Yes? Vijay Nadar. Correct, Vijay Nadar. Yes, my doubt is, Vijay Nadar can do your work also now, Kant. Are you getting? Vijay Nadar can do your work also. Coding is not a big deal. Whatever your work is going to do, Vijay Nadar is also going to do, right? But why he is going to recruit you? Why he recruited you? Because he don't want to waste his time in this labor work. To do this, some labor must be required. That labor should be completed, should have some Python knowledge or Java knowledge. Next and after that should do some activity. So what the software company owners are doing here, they are buying your time for their labor activities. If they are doing that, why don't you buy some other person's time to do some waste activities instead of doing on you? Now I hope you can able to understand my terminology. Kushbu, now Kant, getting the point, right? Okay, so everyone in the world buying some other person's time, okay, to do their low level activities. Okay, yes, company, I'm doing the job in the company. Means the company person buying my time morning 9 to evening 6. He bought my time, okay, to do his activities. The same way, why don't you? Are you getting? The same way, why don't you identify someone to do that activities? So labor kind of activities we should not do, man. We should not do. That's why especially girls or ladies, don't cook, don't wash, don't sweep the rooms. Okay, for these MTech, BTech, MCAs are not required. Okay, unnecessary. You are wasting that degree. So that unnecessary, you are wasting that degree. So if you are MTech graduate, you should your each and every minute should be in the proper utilizable form. Then obviously success by default will be there. Now slowly you people are able to understand what this principle, Pareto principle, how to apply it to our life. So best example, another small example I'm going to tell. Do you know Facebook CEO? Who is the person? Anyone can you please tell? Facebook CEO. Yes, Mark Zuckerberg. Wow, good. Everyone should aware. Without because we are technical people, Facebook CEO, everyone should aware, sir. Now I have one small doubt. Have you ever saw Mark Zuckerberg? I mean, need not be really, man. At least in the newspaper or in the videos or otherwise in the news somewhere. Have you ever saw? Can you please tell, sir? I never saw this person. I don't know anyone there in this session. Everyone in this session can aware. Correct, and Mark Zuckerberg. Do you know? You have whenever I'm using Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg.